What's up, people, and welcome back to this new live stream here once again here on the channel. And absolutely very cool that you guys are once again tuning in here. Already 400 of you guys are tuning into the stream. And today, as you guys already know, yesterday didn't do the stream, unfortunately. What was very important, because yesterday, we all know it, we saw some insane price action here in the Bitcoin chart, and unfortunately I couldn't be at home, so I couldn't give you guys this live stream yesterday. So right now, back again today with a new live stream. So today we will look into the opportunities what the market will give us today, because it is looking quite exciting right now, because Bitcoin trading against downward sloping resistance right now. Also, we were seeing a big fake out to the downside here, and Ethereum is looking very interesting because, guys, you have to know, already looking to this chart for a longer period of time, we were already looking to this rising parallel channel, and you can see yet again with Ethereum topping out on the top side. And guys, like one night ago, I told you guys in the Discord server, I pinned a check here in Ethereum trading. Be careful, because we were right there, we were trading around $1,980 and I told you guys, be careful, because probably going to find some resistance around this level up here, because the top side of the parallel channel was already acting as very significant resistance. And with Ethereum also showing a lot of interesting things here, because if you look to Ethereum, yeah, let's start right away the video here, because if you look to Ethereum here, you can see this touch here of the support line of the parallel channel was exactly getting respected here. So there was a very good buying opportunity if you were taking it, but unfortunately I was asleep here. I was not paying attention here, so I couldn't take this trade here, but this was an excellent opportunity to open a long position here. Let me know if you guys took any trades last night, or yeah, just a couple hours ago. So let me know what you guys think here, and thank you for already tuning in here. I see if we're already having 500 live viewers here. So yeah, thank you already for tuning in. Just had to react to a message real quickly here, and we will discuss every single chart once again here live in stream, also with Bitcoin, because yeah, people are saying, yeah, Bitcoin forming this head and shoulders right now, but guys, you have to know, head and shoulders is not really valid if you're in an uptrend. Okay, so you're setting higher lows each and every time, so it's basically not showing that the momentum is stopping at all here. So, my opinion, not really valid and not a worthy thing to look at, because of course you can still form a head and shoulder like this, but a head and shoulder is more relevant if you're setting the same lows here, and here you're setting higher lows. So basically, yeah, in my opinion, not really a good head and shoulders. So probably, yeah, it's probably not going to break down here. Of course, don't get me wrong, we can still break down here, but I don't really like the structure of the head and shoulders. It is a very this head and shoulders is an uptrend here, so I mean, I'm not worried at all here. I'm not worried to see this break to the downside here. And also meeting our price target, by the way, Bitcoin. Yesterday, unfortunately, we took some profits here, because we thought here, okay, it's maybe smart to take some profits, because if we're going to get this rejection in, what was also likely that we could maybe cut that, yeah, that we did want to get, yeah, just counter our fees here, because otherwise having zero money made from our previous trade. So let me know what you guys are thinking right now of the market. Let me know in the chat here, how do you guys feel about the market, and how you feel about certain coins. And also getting a donation from Great Oaks. We'll look in your request will quickly here. But yeah, if you look to Bitcoin here, once we are breaking to the upside here, you are seeing this. You are seeing the break of the Fibonacci level, and then on the 1 hourly to touch here on the Fibonacci level, exactly touch this. It was giving you a very good buying opportunity here to open a long position. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there, like you already know. But guys, next time I will try and be a little bit more online here, because yeah, it was very unfortunate, but I had to head out this weekend. It was totally not online here, was not paying attention to it. So let me know. Great Oaks, thank you for the $3 donation. You're saying you think that Litecoin would be a good one to get into the dip. And guys, by the way, right now I see the market moving so quickly to the upside, and a lot of people are very excited right now in the cryptocurrency space. And this is what you really want to be careful for. Because the thing that I would like to see here is that we are getting wrecked here in this market. And I mean, once we are moving so quickly to the upside, you have to be careful, because we can also see a reversal coming in anytime soon here. So also moving a little bit into the euphoria stages. So maybe we're going to see the end of the bull run already pretty fast from here on. Maybe in 1 month the bull run is already ending here. So guys, please, we will keep you guys updated about the bull run and what we are thinking about it, and once we are taking profits, because maybe soon it will be a good time to maybe step out of these altcoins and go a little bit more into BTC, and just yeah, just cash your money back to other investment, but not in crypto, because maybe there will be coming a bear market anytime soon here in crypto once again, because we're moving so quickly to the upside, and some indicators are maybe already saying to me, okay, we're going to see a cool-off period for a longer period of time, and maybe if we're going to see such a cool-off period for 2 to 3 months here, will be very good for the Bitcoin market, because it's right now so overextended that we don't really like this, of course. But yeah, if you look to Litecoin, great, Oaks, let me see. You were wondering, is Litecoin right now a good asset to buy in? And I mean, if you look to the 1 hourly time frame, you can see right now trading on support here. You're creating this uptrend here. You saw this on the 1 hourly time frame. This fake out here to the downside, but right now still trading above this line, what is pretty valid here, and also giving you a good buying opportunity, to be honest. And of course, cannot give you any financial advice here, but I mean, this is looking strong here. Probably going to find that bounce here. Will be very nice, of course. A lot of altcoins saw some big bounces, and guys, you have to know, after Bitcoin is done with this move, after Bitcoin finally is done pumping, yeah, let's see if we're going to see some sideways action here for Bitcoin, and then these altcoins can really take off. And I think if Bitcoin does this, Litecoin, of course, will take off here, and all these other altcoins will take off as well, just like Chainlink. And we already saw Cardano taking off, and guys, Cardano is absolutely looking very strong here. Also, we're watching this, of course. We were watching this with you guys. We told you guys in the previous stream, okay, Cardano forming this ascending triangle. If we're going to see a break of this line, a clear break of this line, we can probably see the follow through coming in here. And if you measure the price target, it was exactly meeting, exactly at the top of the price target was Cardano. So I mean, for people who are trading Cardano, absolutely doing once again a very good job. And Cardano still pretty overextended. Did not, let me see on 4 hourly. I think, yeah, on the 4 hourly, like we told you already, it's very easy to create bearish divergence. So creating a lower high in the RSI, but a higher high in the price chart. So it was creating bearish divergence. And please don't spam in the chat here. I already was discussing ADA. And guys, if you want to help me out as well here, make sure to smash up that like button. Already 164 likes here, guys. It will be very, very cool if we can maybe get these likes up to 400 or 600 even. So that would be very, very nice. So if you want to support me as well, make sure to hit that like button already. It's completely free. And I know a lot of you guys are right now watching. So, I mean, you will be helping me out so much if you're right now pressing that like button just to share this content and boost the content to more people here. So, I mean, ADA is looking very strong here. Of course, right now, once again, very overextended. And we broke the 2.618 Fibonacci level. And right now, we're heading towards the next Fibonacci level. And the next Fibonacci level is right now sitting around to 1.36 cents here. So, I mean, there will be still a very, very magnificent, very significant increase. Let me see. If we're still having this increase, we will still increase for approximately 22%. But, I mean, if we're going down from here and maybe have this retest of the 2.618, will be a very, very good buying opportunity, and probably looking for a bounce once we're hitting this level. I mean, it will be very likely if we're hitting this level and then see blast off to the upside. So, I mean, we will look in this opportunity here to open a position here. So if we're going to see this retracement of approximately 11% here to the downside, and that will be sitting around the 98 cents here, we will definitely try to take this trade here. So guys, this is another reason why you should subscribe to the channel and why you should just stay up to date, because we will keep you guys updated here, and yeah, we will inform you guys what we are doing with our trades here. So yeah, Cardano is looking very strong here. I know a lot of Cardano fanboys here right now in the chat, and yeah, I mean, if I look to the chart, looking like a clear breakout of the ascending triangle, and right now a little bit in price discovery once again here. Now in the local highs. I mean, of course, Cardano already traded around these levels, but guys, I'm getting a little bit worried about the bull market right now, because we're moving up so quickly here, and you have to know the last leg in the bull market. The last leg is the most fast leg to the upside. So, I mean, if you look to the daily time frame, you can see once again going parabolic here. And in my opinion, we're only going to 100k exactly, because I just changed my thoughts a little bit on the Bitcoin bull market cycle. And maybe you guys already know it from the previous stream here, but of course, a lot of people are very, very bullish about Bitcoin. And of course, I feel it also in the long run here. But now, if I look to the immediate short term, and if I look to the bigger picture here, I do think that Bitcoin will top out here around the 110 US dollar, 100 to 110k here for Bitcoin. I mean, it's very likely, and maybe this bull market is going to be different here. And the next very significant resistance target is around the 63k here. So do think that we're going to extend this This run probably to 63k here for Bitcoin, and the real Knight Rider also donated €2, so thank you for the donation. But I mean, guys, don't get fooled by these other people. Don't get fooled by these rich people that are trying to say, okay, Bitcoin is going to 300k. And you have to be careful, because once we're going at these high stages, of course, we're making some insane profits here, but we will also take some profits out anytime soon here. So once I'm doing so, I will keep you guys updated as well here. But it's very, very risky, in my opinion. What we are right now seeing with the Bitcoin price. Also, Bitcoin is still forming this bearish divergence on the daily. But I mean, I don't really like to see what we're right now having here with Bitcoin going up so quickly here. And if you look at the on-chain data, it's basically already telling us that the bull market is going to be over in 1 to 2 months here. So please, guys, take this with caution. And the thing here that I want on the channel is build a strong community and help you guys out here, because a lot of people got wrecked here in 2017. They were buying at the top and selling at the bottom, and that's not what we are planning to do. We're trying to sell here at the top, because if we're hitting some places here around the 100k, it's definitely a big take profit area, guys. Definitely a big take profit area. And yeah, I would just want to keep you guys updated here, because I don't want you guys to hold through the whole bear market, because you really want to sell your Bitcoin and then buy more in the bear market, not hold it. So yeah, we will of course discuss our strategy once we're coming further and further towards the 100k, of course, with Bitcoin. But right now, moving so fast to the upside here, that is getting quite entertaining, of course. And also you want to become more realistic, and I'm not right now feeling that we are going to have this bull market for any long period of time from here on. So that's also my strategy. But you have to know, once Bitcoin is stopping out, probably after Bitcoin is stopping out, you see these altcoins boom and really take off here. So that's also a thing that you want to keep an eye out on. So let's see what we are seeing with Ethereum. Let's see what we are seeing. Oh yeah, that was kind of interesting. If you look to Ethereum. You can look to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin comparison here. If you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, you see this downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, but it's already pretty bearish in my opinion. Couldn't break through the other time, and right now trading under this white line, where already was acting as resistance over here and resistance over here. So right now, once again, trading under this line. But if you look closer to the chart, let me see. If you look close to the chart, you can see that we are forming this bullish divergence there. So you're creating a lower high here, and oh, that's not my meaning. So you can already see you're creating a lower high in the price chart here, and you're creating a higher high in the RSI chart. So basically, it's already creating this bearish, bullish divergence. I'm sorry. So probably looking for a price reversal anytime soon here in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin price. So will be very likely that Ethereum will have some more momentum here anytime soon here. So we will have to wait and see how this will go here for Ethereum, and have to redraw this a little bit lower here. But yeah, I mean, there were a lot of buying opportunities here for Ethereum once we were hitting these lines here. But Ethereum is right now still doing an okay job here. Was very likely. And by the way, hitting our price target of the month of February already very, very nice here. By the way, this wick was all created to $1,804, what we were also talking a lot about, because that's a very critical resistance level in the Fibonacci chart. But boys and girls, by the way, we made our price target for February. So we told you guys, Ethereum probably going to hit somewhere between the 2 to 2.5k here in the month of February, and we exactly did. So I mean, it's very, very nice that we are hitting our price targets here, and probably will continue back in this green box. I mean, it's very likely that we will go up to 2k once again here, in my opinion, because the market is absolutely exploding right now. But of course, we'll have to wait and see for a little bit longer here. But in my opinion, yeah, of course, already hitting the price target here, but probably will continue further after finding this supportive bounce here. And maybe we've now seen the drop off a little bit here, and now we can maybe reverse once again to the upside. And also we'll look into some requests here, and also getting a donation right now from AGUNet. So thank you for a donation, AGUNet. And you are saying, will BNB dip or rise up? And the point is, I of course like BNB a lot here, and BNB right now sitting at P3 here in the coin market cap, doing a very, very good job, but it's pretty overextended right now. the protocol is very good and was very likely that it was going to pump already. And yeah, if you look to the protocol right now, I mean, it is very, very overextended. Of course, 1 hourly cooled off very significantly, but if you look to the daily here, still very overextended. It was approximately 96 in the RSI. Weekly still very overextended, sitting on 97 in the RSI. So I mean, all these indicators are overbought here. Only the 4 hour and 1 hourly are cooling off here. So maybe in the immediate short can reverse to the upside once again. But then we will create once again a bearish divergence. But we created a lot of bearish divergences over here, but still went to the upside here. So of course, maybe it is not all too significant in this bull run. But I mean, you should play it careful here once you're buying these coins like BNB, because BNB already sitting around P3, already very, very overextended right now. So we'll have to wait and see a little bit longer here how this will react to the chart and the technicals, of course. But thank you for your donation here. And in my opinion, it's more likely for BNB to dip right now. And yeah, of course, if you're holding it, in my opinion, I'm holding BNB myself as well. I'm just going to hold it a little bit longer here because I don't think it's over yet. And I don't want to time the market with my holding position. But if you want to take a trade right now, if you right now want to open a long position, I mean, you should be playing it very careful here, because BNB can reverse very, very quickly here also to the downside because it's so overextended. And people can take profit here on the chart, and then you can see a massive dump coming in. So please take it careful here. Please take it careful. And guys, by the way, we're right now watching with 900 live viewers. Make sure to smash up these likes. That will be absolutely very cool here. Doing this once again for you guys in the weekend. And having right now only 19 likes away from the 300 likes. It would be very cool if we can still hit the 300 likes here altogether in the weekend on the Sunday. So let me see what you guys have for me in the chat here, if you guys have any requests. For the people that are just holding alts, do they have to hold it till the end of the bull market? Of course, yeah, you want to hold it till the end of the bull market, but we are trying to time the bull market here as well here on the channel, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build a strong community, and also the Discord server growing so quickly. And unfortunately, guys, I want to give you guys an update each and every day here. And yeah, right now I couldn't be at home this weekend, so we'll try and help you guys out even more here. And I see we're right now having over 6,000 members in our Discord server, so absolutely growing so quickly here. You guys are supporting the channel. You guys are yeah, supporting the community, because we are building one of the strongest communities right now in the cryptocurrency space, and that is absolutely lovely, of course. And we'll look at GRT, because people are wondering, what do you think about GRT right now? And I mean, GRT was forming a very, very interesting chart before. We'll put this on the 1 hourly to see some more significance here. You can maybe set this a little bit lower here, can right away spot it. Maybe we have to adjust this trend line a little bit here, and we are creating this upward sloping trend line right now over here. So yeah, if you look to this chart, maybe trading and support right now previously was acting as resistance. This line here, you can see resistance, 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 and right now acting as support. So let's see if we can flip this resistance into support right away here. Will be absolutely awesome, of course, because then we can probably see some more momentum shift to the upside here. Also this support line from the bottom here meeting together. So it will be very likely if GRT sees some more price action to the upside. And guys, it's very healthy, of course, also for GRT to go to the upside here, because right now you're seeing this massive pump here to the upside, and here you see this yeah, just sideways consolidation. So always coins in consolidation will in the end pump very, very quickly to either direction here. And I mean, we can reset this and start another parabolic run up, because here you saw this move to the upside here, and in the end of the day you saw this huge leg here to the upside, and that yeah, that last leg to the upside is just right now cooling off here. Also the indicators, probably daily trail still pretty overextended. Yeah, as you can see right here, daily still overextended. So maybe I have to wait a little bit longer here for GRT till it's fully reset, and then we can probably continue further once again here for the GRT price chart. So let me see. Let me look at some different charts as well here, because there are a lot of charts that are right now very, very interesting. And just like Polkadot is also very interesting and also very overextended. So very hard to give me my thoughts on it, of course. But I will set up some different tools here to find some more resistance and support targets, because you want to always look at to forward from now on, because you're with Polkadot once again here in price discovery, and if you're in price discovery, you do want to look forward where you're probably going to find some resistance, where you're probably going to find some support. Look to this chart right now. Finding resistance around to $41.62, what is acting as very significant resistance on the 1 hourly, already 3 touches on that level, what is very interesting. And just like Bitcoin, forming this upward sloping support line, what is also very good for the immediate short term, probably can push the price way higher. And we will try and of course open a live trade if we're getting a possibility, if we're getting a very nice correction rate maybe right now. Maybe we can look for a live trade here, but would like to see a very huge correction coming in, of course, because always once you're having corrections, after these corrections, you can step into the market to enter a new position here. So if you look to DOT right now, getting rejected by the stop line, and maybe if we're going to see this rejection coming in and still some more downwards momentum phase kicking in here, and maybe have a touch of this $35.75, it will be a perfect opportunity to maybe enter a long position here. Boys and girls, we will try and look into this live stream, and maybe try and open a live trade here. That will be absolutely amazing, of course. So we will have to wait a little bit longer till the price develops a little bit more. But Daniel also donated 5 Australian dollars, so thank you for your donation. You are saying XDAI. So I don't really like the charts, first of all, and XDAI. You don't have a lot of information on this chart, but I can set up the Fibonacci tool real quickly for you. But these charts are not the most beautiful charts, what is very important, first of all, because you cannot see the most significant information here on this chart. So I will give you my thoughts real quickly on this technicals, because on the fundamentals I really cannot give you my opinion, because otherwise this whole live stream will be full with fundamental research videos. So I mean, if you look at this chart, of course, these charts are not all too nice, like I told you before, but you can see right now breaking through the 0.786 level, a wick created on the downside, and previously also on the upside, top side, so it was acting as resistance, but right now you can see acting as very significant support. You can see this red candle was touching it once again, and now you're seeing the next green candle here in the 4 hourly going to the upside here. So really want to break this $43.16 $43 here, approximately $44, and that is sitting around the one in the Fibonacci trend line here. So you were setting this trend, you were setting this previous high. They saw the school of period, just like Bitcoin previously. On a one, once it was sitting around the 42k. The previous stop was sitting around 42k. So if you see this as Bitcoin, you first want to take out previous stop, and after you're taking this previous stop out and maybe find support on it because right now it's probably acting as resistance. You can have massive less off. You can have this retest of the previous resistance flipping into support, and then you can see another parabolic leg getting created here on XDAI. So thank you for the donation, and of course it's very hard to give my thoughts on this chart where there's not a lot of information about it, because this chart as well not showing a lot of information here. But Eric also donated $2. Thank you, Eric, once again here, and you are saying hey there, link please. Thank you. So Eric, I will right away look into link for you, because link is very interesting, because of course we were watching to link here previously once we were trying to open this trade here on the breakout, and I should extend this level a little bit further, in my opinion. So yeah, of course we were first looking for this breakout of the symmetrical triangle, but Link, in my opinion, is still a little bit lacking behind here compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, and that's not still the reason here. I do think it will be ready to explode anytime soon here, but for now on, still lacking behind a little bit here. I do want to see that Link, of course, explodes here, because we're still having our trade open here on Bybit, and would like to see finally a breakthrough, and also look for a trade here on Femex here. Fortunately, the trade of previously was not really valid anymore, but yeah, we will look for new trade opportunities here, and I do think still an entry for Chainlink will be very, very important, because Chainlink is probably ready for another insane move here to the upside. And also there were some other coins like Uniswap, and Uniswap also exploded. We'll look into Uniswap in a second, because I have a very, very interesting thoughts right now on Uniswap here. But yeah, if you look to Chainlink, first let's look at the Chainlink compared to Ethereum worth. Because Chainlink compared to Ethereum, of course, forming this W still, but getting rejected. Maybe you can see this is the neckline here also, this line over here. Maybe this is the neckline, not over here. So if you say this, we got rejected by the previous neckline, but still creating a higher low. So let's see if we're right now having this retest over here and maybe then have blast off and also want to break through this high, of course, because I think this is the most significant neckline here. But yeah, you can see that we got stopped out over here, what is making me feel, of course, that we are already having this retest of this previous neckline here. But for now on, still the W is valid here, and if we're going to create a lower high than this previous high, I will flip right away once again bearish here on Chainlink. And that's not what I would like to see here, of course, because I'm feeling very bullish on Chainlink still. But if we are going to see somewhat of a lower high getting created here on the Chainlink compared to Ethereum chart, I will flip pretty bearish on Ethereum. But for now on, it's still looking valid here in my opinion. And Chainlink compared to Bitcoin also trading between very interesting price ranges. You can see, of course, right now looking at the daily, 2 corrections on the top side here. Once again, here already a multiple retest of this top line. Do want to break this top line before flipping very bullish once again on Chainlink. But yeah, we will have to wait a little bit longer here. Maybe if we're even going to have this retest of this gray box here once again, will be a very good buying opportunity. And still we're above this resistance line, what is now right now holding us as support, what is very good already. So do want to see this break of this previous resistance line and then test it as support. But we will have to wait a little bit longer, and we will monitor this chart, because this can really indicate once we're going absolutely parabolic here with Chainlink, and then we really need to enter a trade here once again. So James donated $2 Australian, and you're saying sold 1/2 of my Raven during this weekend craziness, hold the rest. I mean, Ravencoin is also very overextended, and yeah, I mean, it's absolutely going parabolic, and you have to be really careful with these coins, because I don't really know the fundamentals, but I thought Ravencoin was not the best coin with if you look to the fundamentals here. But yeah, you can see absolutely going parabolic here, and it's always good once you're selling at these highs. Of course, you wanted to cut you really want to catch the top here, but I mean, already going very high here, and reversals very likely for such amount of coins, and maybe it can even go to $1 here. I mean, you don't even know, of course, but I mean, if you're buying right now, you're absolutely very crazy in my opinion, because you're buying at a very good top here already. Of course, if you bought it over here, you did a very good job. Increase your money with approximately 1200% here, and I mean, yeah, Ravencoin, yeah, it is doing good right now, but I mean, I find it too scary to buy in right now, and selling is never bad. Taking profits, if you 12x your money, I mean, it's very likely to take some profits here, and it's not a bad job here. So, in my opinion, Ravencoin very overextended, and I cannot give you any financial advice, but holding is, of course, for the coming 2 months still good here in crypto, but there will be a time that you want to take profit here. Maybe you want to shift it to a different asset right now, because this coin is pretty overextended. So Adam also donated here. So thank you for donation once again, Adam. And Adam, you're saying, can you explain corrections? Are they performed by individuals with high volume, or is it market, or is the market in general miners? I love this stream in the community, and yeah, as you probably already know, because miners also are selling usually at pretty high places, because miners also need to afford their mining stuff, and then they're just selling a lot of bitcoins in one moment to correct the market and cool off the market for a second. But I mean, once a lot of people are in profit, once everyone is in profit, they're probably going to take some profits. But you know, in the Bitcoin community, because the Bitcoin community is becoming a very strong community, and everyone is basically holding in the Bitcoin community, and if everyone is holding, you know that the price won't go that low, of course. But usually these corrections are driven by some people that want to manipulate the market, or some weekends that just stepped into the market, because usually you are seeing corrections, and then you see the big players are trying to manipulate the market, and then they are going down. And usually these downwards moves are not very significant, but once you're seeing this move to the downside, you get more new people to the market that are also a little bit scared still, and they push the price even lower. So basically, in my opinion, that is what happened, what will happen then. But yeah, you can see this done here before. It was purely by miners, because miners were selling their bitcoins and taking some profits to pay their electricity bills, etc. And It's Me God donated $5 Australian. Welcome back. We miss you. And thank you for donating once again here. And thank you for letting me know that you were that you missed me here. So of course, I miss you guys as well here, and I couldn't be alive for one day and already missed out so much here. So that is the reason why I try to be live every single day here. But unfortunately, sometimes you cannot be live every single day, and I have to do stuff myself as well. So that was pretty unfortunate, of course. But yeah, I will in the future try and do my best to be live every single day here. So, looking to the stream right now, having 1,000 live viewers, guys, and only 15 likes away from the 400 likes. So, it will be very cool if we can still reach the 400 likes right now. Will be very cool. So let's look at the longs and shorts here on Bitcoin, because this is also very interesting. You can see for the past days here, the longs absolutely were exploding to the upside, and let's look to the shorts here. The shorts were only decreasing, and right now not a lot of shorts open, not a lot of shorts active here, to be honest. And let's look at Binance, what Binance is right now doing to see a little bit what Binance right now is doing with the longs and shorts. And the best accounts are right now usually all 70% is long here from the best trading accounts on Binance. Let me see. I mean, they're doing an okay job. They're doing an okay job. So basically, right now volume is decreasing here once again on Binance. I mean, I'm saying decreasing, but in 5 minutes, we're a lot of Bitcoins are getting bought and sold here. I mean, it's insane how much volume we're right now having in the market. It's insane. If you look to the daily candles, yeah, you can see these spikes in volume. Yeah, Bitcoin is of course a very, very big. You can see right now Bitcoin is getting traded so much here, and of course it's very good for the Bitcoin price here. Very good for the Bitcoin price. So let's see what we are going to do today in the stream. Let me know if you have some questions for me, because then we will of course look into your questions. If you have certain altcoins for me, would love to look into it, and would also love to open a trade here live in stream, of course, for the challenge. Would love to open a trade here live in the stream, because yeah, I really want to catch this next leg to the upside here. Also with MicroStrategies once again announcing that they're going to buy more and more Bitcoin here. Let me see. Please look to Bitcoin in the 15-minute chart. Of course, I'll look to Bitcoin in 15 minutes. Yeah, you are right now seeing this downward sloping resistance getting created. And of course, this is right now holding us back a little bit. It's holding us back here. So I mean, it would be very good if we can finally break this resistance line and maybe open a small trade here with a small amount of money here on Femex once we are seeing this break, and then have this retest. Because I mean, of course, you're not having a clear target to the upside here. It can probably have a very good bounce here and maybe open a trade. So we will have to wait and see how this will go here. It's already acting as resistance since yesterday. So let's see, and let's see how this will go here, of course. You guys, and let me see if you guys have some requests here anymore. Ethereum, yeah, you guys are all loving Ethereum. I know that. And Ethereum, I have some very interesting thoughts about Ethereum, and I think I moved this chart a little bit here because it was first showing me more significance. I moved it. Let me see. Not the most beautiful parallel channel, to be honest. But yeah, let's see. I mean, we can draw it like this here. Oh, that was not my intention. That was not my intention. So if we move it, if we draw it like this here. So yeah, you have this parallel channel, and you can see yesterday in Discord server, I already told you guys in the Ethereum trading, I told you, okay, please be careful with Ethereum, because Ethereum heading towards this top side here of the resistance level. Heading towards this level and finding resistance over here was already making me feel pretty miserable, of course. I was feeling, okay, probably going to get any kind of a resistance in here. and then you created some kind of a double top here for Ethereum, and you saw the reversal, and then you saw this big correction coming to the downside here. You saw this big correction coming in here. You saw this big correction coming in and hitting this lower side. And once we were hitting this lower side here, you saw this supportive bounce coming in. It was, of course, very good buying opportunity here. Already here was supporting. And we'll look into 1 inch as well here. Because 1 inch was showing very, very interesting things. Also, 0x was also doing very good here. So we'll look into every single request, of course. Today's later. We are just here on the Sunday, just a little bit late here. And you know, the weekends are always a little bit chill for Bitcoin. So, I mean, yeah, it was very interesting when we saw Ethereum. So Tim also donated here. Any good recommendations for a higher cap altcoin to put 3K into? Of course, cannot give you any financial advice. But yeah, you're right now wondering which high cap altcoin you should invest in. And in my opinion, I will still stick with my point here with Chainlink, because in my opinion, Chainlink still has to pop yet here. Still has to pop here. So of course, you know, Chainlink has a high market cap and is, in my opinion, a very, very good buying opportunity here to enter. So yeah, if you really want to enter right now, I mean, in my opinion, Tim here, I do think this is the best. This is the best one that you can really buy right now, in my opinion. So Chainlink is really my thing, my big altcoin that I do think that we are probably going to see explode anytime soon here. But I will look into 0x real quickly. Because guys, the 0x yesterday bought some more for my holding position. On this support line. And I mean, bought in $1.50 approximately. Right now, of course, already in profit. But I mean, 0x also ready for a big move to the upside here. Also ready for an explosive move here anytime soon. Maybe going to touch this line anytime soon here as well. But I mean, 0x is looking very strong, looking for blast off here, and maybe forming some kind of ascending triangle here, forming a supportive line here, maybe having another touch here. And once we're having this touch, maybe we can break out here finally and see another leg created to the upside. I mean, if we're probably going to break this line as well already, this 2.618 Fibonacci level, this 3.618 Fibonacci level, we're going to go towards that level already, an increase of 72%. And this price of 0x can move very quickly to the upside, and in my opinion, also making itself ready for another leg to the upside. You can see a parabolic run up and then consolidation, and after consolidation, you always see this trend getting continued here. So in my opinion, 0x looking for blast off, and you don't want to buy into coins that are already exploded. And I mean, if you look to this coin, I mean, I'm willing to buy into this coin. So let me know. And also getting another donation from Mo. And you are donating. Missed you yesterday here, lol. Give me an update about Stellar Lumens. And guys, I know I missed you as well yesterday, and unfortunately I cannot be here every single day for you guys, but I try to be, of course. I try to be here every single day. And yeah, maybe I have to adjust as well a little bit here. But I mean, if you look to Stellar Lumens here, also very interesting chart right now, also cooling off still for a little bit here. And guys, you have to know, a lot of altcoins haven't popped yet here, and maybe it has to do something. And maybe it still has to explode here. So, I mean, if you look to this coin, if you look to Stellar Lumens, you can see right now getting a supportive line, supportive bounce here from this Fibonacci level here, the 1.272. That is already very nice, of course. Already having multiple supportive touches here. So you could have bought the wick, of course, but yeah, right now still consolidating. Couldn't break through the top side of this resistance, but yeah, just like Stellar Lumens, having a major run up here. You can see major run up, cool off period, minor run up here, consolidation, and making itself ready for another parabolic move here, in my opinion. I mean, you have to know always once Bitcoin is popping, once Bitcoin is growing so quickly, you first see Bitcoin, and after Bitcoin is cooling down here, you see these other altcoins coming into the market and then absolutely explode here. So please don't rush into anything, just play it a little bit slow here. I mean, it is very likely that we are going to explode here in this chart, but it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. So, and that is also my opinion here. And I will stay with it because I told it already multiple times here on the channel, and I do think that a lot of altcoins will still pop here. And just like 0x, just like Stellar, it will come here, but you have to be calm. And if you're holding, I mean, there's no stress. And if you want to enter a swing trade right now, I think it's a very good moment to enter swing trades, because I think these altcoins can really literally pop here anytime soon here. So that's also what we are planning to do here in the channel, looking for an entry of a swing trade here on a lot of altcoins. So let me see what you guys think right now. But yeah, looking like Stellar Lumens, if we're going to have another touch here around this 46 cents, very good buying opportunity. So D Marie also donated $5 and you're saying EGLD. So we'll right away look into EGLD. And by the way, guys, having right now 1100 live viewers, guys, it would be amazing if you're smashing up the likes right now. It would be very cool. Having already I mean, we're only 29 likes away from the 500 likes. So if you really want to support the channel out, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Having 15.2k subscribers, absolutely amazing, guys. We're absolutely crushing it right now. And if you really want to support the channel out here, make sure to just hit that like button and maybe join the Discord server if you want to join the community as well here, because we're building one strong community all together here. And if you're spamming in the chat, your question won't be answered here. But I will look into EGLD for my let me see. For D Marie. So I will look to EGLD real quickly here. But guys, just make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to join the Discord community if you are willing to learn a little bit more about crypto. If you want to learn a little bit more, you really want to invest some time in yourself. And in our community, it's the best way to invest time in yourself, because I think a lot of good moderators are in our server and they are helping you out very goodly here. So I mean, it's a very good job if you're joining the Discord server and if you want to teach yourself something. But yeah, looking at EGLD, forming a lot of downward sloping resistance line here, and maybe forming one once again here. But I will set up the Fibonacci tool real quickly here to spot some kind of levels for resistance and support real quickly. And you saw this wick here. Holy cow, this was an insane wick here on EGLD. I wasn't not paying attention at all, but guys, you can see, I don't know why I have this line over here. It wasn't making no sense, but it touched this line. So we'll remove this line real quickly. But yeah, it was very crazy, this touch here. Very big wick got created here. A lot of lungs got liquidated here. So that was pretty unfortunate, first of all. But yeah, I got bolt back up here. Maybe it was a fake out here. So we'll have to wait and see. I will remove this different one. So yeah, we'll set up the Fibonacci tool for you real quickly here. And I will not use that big wick here, by the way, because I don't think it is showing all the significance here. But yeah, if you look to this Fibonacci chart here on EGLD, you can see right now trading around the 0.236 Fibonacci level, what is holding up right now as support, what is already very nice here. And I mean, it's always very good here if you're trading as support. We're a very good buying opportunity right now, in my opinion. But yeah, you still have this down sloping resistance line. What you do want to clear here, you got this rejection here by this $166 here. Let's see if we can still take out this previous high, because then we can really reverse the trend once again to the upside here. So that would be very cool, of course, if we can finally create a different trend here. And getting also 2 more donations is because you are saying GRT on the 4 hourly. What do you think? We'll look right away into it after this request real quickly about EGLD. And also Michael donated €5. Michael, once again, you're a legend. But you are saying you are so awesome. Thank you. We are learning so much from you and your team, and that is absolutely very nice that you guys are showing so much love here, because we're doing this completely for free for you guys. So it would be very nice if you're supporting only with hitting that like button here for us. That would be already enough here. So thank you for showing your love once again with your super chat, Michael. Thank you so much. So yeah, look into EGLD. You can see right now This is a very interesting chart because we're right now trading at support and also getting another donation by Depoist. So we'll look at your requests also real quickly after this one. I will discuss every single request, of course, but I will take my time for this EGLD one first. But yeah, right now trading at support. Do want to clear this resistance line here to the downside before flipping very bullish once again. But I mean, if I look to this chart, I do want to take out this previous resistance line before flipping once again very bullish, and also want to take out this previous high. So at least go above this 0.382 level here in the immediate short term, because if we're going to see a rejection already here, or if we're going to see the rejection here coming in, I mean, would still be pretty bearish here for EGLD. Still haven't cleared yeah, reverse the trend here, even though we were forming some kind of a W shape here. So we'll have to wait and see a little bit longer here what EGLD will do here. But if we're going to reverse the trend anytime soon here, we will look for an entry for a swing trade here, because EGLD, of course, is doing a very good job here in the price chart. And I think if you're going back to the previous all-time high, already an increase of 50% here, so giving a lot of opportunities to make some insane amount of money. So right now we'll look at the GRT real quickly. And you're saying GRT on the 4-hourly, what do you think? And let me see, because yeah, first of all, what you want to spot here, GRT absolutely going parabolic here. What is already very nice here. But let me see. What do you think about GRT here? And I will give you my honest opinion about GRT. This is absolutely I'll draw this. Maybe we are seeing something different what I was spotting before here, because in the 1 hourly I was looking at a different scenario here. And first of all, if you look to the 4 hourly, maybe forming some kind of ascending triangle here if you look to the Fibonacci line here. But yeah, of course, already saw the fake out here, so not really significant. But yeah, you can see that we are setting higher lows in my if you look to the chart, but also setting lower highs. So that's basically already telling that you're in a symmetrical triangle here. But I mean, the shape of the pattern is not all too nice here, so that's what I don't like here. Because if you want to really see this downward sloping resistance line, you do want to see three touches. So this touch had to be a little bit higher here, and that you were seeing something like this here. But yeah, I mean, you can still see this upward sloping support line, what is already holding up pretty well here, right now forming this once again this new 4-hourly candle in the green here. So that's already very good here. So maybe this is still, of course, a symmetrical triangle, but in my opinion, not very likely to see this right now, because I only see 2 touches here on the top side. But yeah, I still have to wait a little bit longer here, because yeah, you can see that this upward sloping support line is getting respected here by the charts. Here we already are having 3 touches here, so yeah, also have to wait a little bit longer here for GRT. But in my opinion, very likely that we're going to hold this support line. Very likely that we're going to move higher here. And I'm saying this because Bitcoin is, of course, moving very quickly to the upside. And then once Bitcoin is moving to the upside, Bitcoin needs to cool off for a second. And then you can see that the money is shifting back into alt. So we have to wait a little bit longer here. To see some more confirmations. But I'm not feeling bearish at all in GRT. Not feeling bearish at all. And of course, you're going into a parabolic move here. You're going into this symmetrical triangle into a parabolic move. So then it would be very likely to yeah, also break to the upside here once you're forming some kind of pattern. So I mean, GRT is looking very strong here. And yeah, if you're going to see an increase once again in price, yeah, it's going to be a very significant one. It can push the price yeah, towards levels around the $3.41 there. So it can really give you a very good benefit here for opening a position right now in GRT. Maybe GRT is ready to explode. And someone is saying BTC is breaking out right now. I mean, let's look at BTC real quickly here. We formed just a new 1 hourly candle. And oh man. If you look at the 15-minute candles, you can see that we're right now breaking out here on this Bitcoin downward sloping resistance line. And this is looking very interesting in my opinion. Maybe Bitcoin is making itself ready once again for another move to the upside here. We'll look quickly at Ethereum, maybe spotting some entry possibilities for an entry. I do want to see the prices reversed a little bit more before entering a long position, because otherwise we're getting wrecked here. And the thing is that we don't want here is getting wrecked. So yeah, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin is doing an okay job here. Bitcoin is doing a pretty well job here. And guys, make sure to, by the way, hit that like button. Only 30 likes away from the 600 likes. We are once again crushing it here. So yeah, it would be very cool, of course, if we're right now hitting that subscribe button and like button once again here. Would be very nice if you're willing to do so. Haha, please no FOMO. No, please, guys, please don't FOMO into a trade right now, because if you're FOMOing into trades, you're getting wrecked. And let me look at Elon Musk here, because of course you guys already know Elon Musk was a big troll here yesterday. And let me see, he also tweeted something about cryptocurrencies explained. And he is tweeting a YouTube video. Let me see. Yeah, he was just messing around. Previously he had that had a picture of a Bitcoin. What it was a girl with an arrow, and she had Bitcoin on her clothes. So he was just messing around once again. And yeah, of course we all know already Elon loves Bitcoin, and he was trying to eliminate these longs position. And guys, oh man, we're seeing follow through getting created for Bitcoin and breaking this resistance line here. Probably maybe going to create a new all-time high here. So let's see what we are going to do here with the Bitcoin price. And I mean, man, oh man, I need Bitcoin to chill off for a second here, because otherwise we cannot make these insane gains here with the altcoins. So really would like to see Bitcoin cool off for a second here. So yeah, let's see how this will go here. Yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, creating follow through once again, and these other altcoins, of course, right now they are not creating this follow through. So it's very likely that we're not seeing this because right now only once again Bitcoin is pumping, and I do want to see Bitcoin finally cooling off here, because otherwise, yeah, we're not really going to see these altcoins pop off here. So maybe see some please 2 to 4 hours of some sideways action here for Bitcoin, and then we can really lift off with these other altcoins, in my opinion. Yeah, Bitcoin doing a very good job. Yeah, it's doing a very okay job here. So yeah, you look to Uniswap here. Uniswap yesterday also giving you a very good buying opportunity here. Very good buying opportunity around $26. I mean, if you bought over here, you could have bought at this level already increase of approximately 20% here. So yeah, I was looking for this position here on Uniswap, giving very good positions here to enter long positions. What do you think about BNB? Current breakout all-time high once again. Let me see a BNB real quickly. So thank you for the donation, Gabriel, and let me look at BNB. And I mean, I'm playing it very careful right now with BNB. What do you think about BNB current breakout break? I mean, should be playing this very careful, and of course it can extend even more, just like ADA is doing. But I mean, Binance Coin pretty overextended right now as well. Of course, it deserves its place here in the top 5 in my opinion, because it's such a good coin, and also the fundamentals are very good of this coin, and that is the reason why it's also right now very pumping so quickly here, because you can send your BNB with very low transaction fees, unlike Ethereum, of course. But I mean, that is probably also the reason why it's pumping. But I mean, buying into this coin at these high levels or opening a long position around these levels, very risky in my approach. Too risky in my approach here. So yeah, Bitcoin, of course, creating maybe a new all-time high here live in the stream will be, of course, very nice, guys. And let me know in the with the like buttons if you're enjoying it, of course. But yeah, maybe Bitcoin will create an all-time high anytime soon here. And let's see what the Polkadot is right now doing. Yeah, Polkadot is following Bitcoin pretty nice here, in my opinion. If you look to the 15-minute, maybe you are seeing some kind of the same structure. Yeah, you can see this downward sloping resistance line getting formed. Not the most beautiful. Bitcoin was a little bit more beautiful in my opinion. So yeah, unfortunately, of course, right now on the trade only a move of already a move of 1% here. So I mean, it was a very good move here to the upside. I do want to see this retest maybe coming in, because that will be a position that we want to enter. Because I do think that Bitcoin can go up way higher from here on. I do think that Bitcoin can go up way higher. So maybe seeing this retest will give us a very good opportunity to enter a long position here. So yeah, guys, if we're opening a position here, of course, we will keep you guys updated here live in the stream. We'll keep you guys updated live in the stream here. And that is the reason why we are loving doing live trades here. That is the reason why we are loving doing live trades. Because we're you guys can enjoy the gains as well here. and I don't only want to enjoy the games myself, just want to yeah, do it all together, of course. Let me see. Yeah, it's very significant. So yeah, I do want to wait a little bit longer till Bitcoin maybe see this correction coming in before setting a new all-time high here, because we'd like to enter a trade, of course. And Ethereum probably pumping as well a little bit. Yeah, you can see Ethereum also seeing some more volatility getting created. So of course, very nice for Ethereum. Yeah, Chainlink maybe forming this W structure as well, setting a higher low, I mean. So maybe going to reverse anytime soon here. Will be very healthy and very good here for Chainlink as well. But yeah, Polkadot is seeing a lot of volatility getting created. So Polkadot is once again doing a very good job. Maybe going to create a new all-time high as well here. Looking, of course, very forward already. Looking very forward to it. Yeah, maybe for Ethereum, we can see this W play out as well here. This right now on the 15-minute here. Not the most. Let's look at 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes not all too nice. So let's look at the 15 minutes. Maybe you're seeing this breakout of this W right now coming out here, because we are forming this W. Not the most beautiful. And if we're having this retest of this level, I mean, also giving us a good buying opportunity. So first wants to close to 15 minutes, then have this retest here, and then we can maybe open a position here on Ethereum to also open a new trade here, because we would like to do a live trade here. And I would like to enter a new trade here in this live in the stream here. And also we'll use this tight stop loss here, guys. So, I mean, if we're going to take this trade here on Ethereum, we'll look at the FEMX chart real quickly. We'll look at the Ethereum compared to FEMX. Let me see FEMX. I have to add FEMX because we are trading on FEMX. And if you want to join me also in FEMX, you can right now use my referral link in the description, because then we will have the exact same numbers here, and there won't be any mistakes made here. So yeah, if you want to join me as well on this trade, maybe of course no financial advice. You always have to trade at your own risk here, but there is certainly an opportunity here, in my opinion, to maybe open a live trade here in the stream. So yeah, if you want to join me, you can use my FEMX referral link here. You will be supporting the channel completely for free here, so that will be, of course, be very amazing here. So I mean, this target of approximately can be. Of course, it's not the most beautiful W structure here, and yeah, of course, we'll try and write this to this trade here for Ethereum, and only we'll use stop loss of 1% here. So if we're getting wrecked here, losing 1% for risking 5% here, so maybe a good setup here on Ethereum. Also, Bitcoin showing a very good setup, in my opinion. Do want to see the correction first coming in before really opening the trade here. But yeah, if you look to Ethereum, if we're going to see this. I mean, we're going to set it up right now. So let me see. 1955 on Ethereum. So we go to Ethereum here, and we set 1955. Let me see. Yeah, 1955. And I'm only going to use 50% here, because not the most beautiful position here. I'm going to use the 10x here. So 50%. And stop loss will be around. I will make a screenshot and also post this in the Discord server right away here. 1935. Take profit will also be here. It's around to 20 points. Okay, yes. And I will make a screenshot real quickly here. And guys, if you want to use, I don't think it's clear enough, you can right away go to setup. You can right away go to the Discord server, because in the Discord server I just posted this Ethereum setup, and I mean I will be taking this one. I mean, I like this one. So you see the risk to reward situation can probably work out pretty well here for me. So yeah, of course, always have to trade at your own risk, guys. But yeah, I mean, you can use this Ethereum setup. I just tagged you guys in there in the Discord server. So you can see it right away there. What the take profit, what the stop loss is. You can see my FEMX screenshot real quickly there. So if you're interested in that, would you switch? You can use it right now, and you can find it right now in the training challenge if you go to the Discord server. So training challenge, there is where you can trade it with the exact same numbers if you want to join me as well on this trade. So Mo, you donated $2 here, so thank you for your donation. And you're saying, would you switch all your alts into BTC at this point? No, not yet, not yet. I think I will still wait at least a month here. At least a month, and then I will have to wait a little bit longer and see how the stages here are with the on-chain data, what the on-chain data is right now telling us. Do I have to shift out, or do I have to wait a little bit longer here till convert more of my portfolio into BTC? Toywolf, you're saying, is there a trade possibility for Cardano? And I will look into Cardano as well here. Hey Crypto, did you look into Chainlink as well here? It looks pretty juicy. Yeah, still think that the Chainlink is going to pop off here. But looking into this trade opportunity right now, guys, let me know if you're taking it as well. This is a long for Ethereum and almost going to hit it. Very, very close to our entry price. And guys, some numbers are of course a little bit different here because you're trading on the not the same exchange here. But I'm using Femex here. So if you want to join me as well on this trade, you can use your Femex. You can use my Femex referral link here, and sign up with Femex if you're willing to join it. So probably for Bitcoin, also seeing this correction maybe coming in here, not so as significant as for Ethereum. But yeah, what is making me feel pretty bullish here right now? If you look to Ethereum, you can see bullish divergence on the 1 hourly on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. So I mean, this is very good already because probably going to reverse the price on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So, of course, let's see how this will go here. And I think we got filled here. No, we're not. We have not got filled yet. Only $2 away from getting filled here. $2 away from our entry price for Ethereum. So, getting very close here. Would like to get this entry, of course, but not rushing into anything. Just taking a safe approach here. And someone is saying I'm already in since 1960. I mean, that is too risky for me. I'm just waiting for this... I'm just waiting for this opportunity, for the perfect opportunity. Probably if we are having this touch here, it will be very nice here on the 50-minute chart. And let's see how it will go here, of course. And also, yeah, let's see how this will go, yeah. I mean, this is looking very strong. A very good risk to reward setup once again here. And once we are getting filled, we are hearing this. So looking at Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin still seeing a lot of follow-through getting created. Maybe going to create a new all-time high anytime soon here. So that would be, of course, very cool here. Breaking this downward sloping resistance line here. Still, Ethereum, come on. I do want to get this entry in here, so not rushing into anything here. But I mean, this was looking like a clear setup here. And yeah, still have to wait a little bit longer here till we're getting filled here. So yeah, let me know if you're joining me right now. People are saying, yeah, Link is seeing some kind of the same setup, also forming some kind of W structure. So once again, seeing a reversal playing out here on the charts. And yeah, Ethereum already going higher from here on, but not rushing into anything, guys. I mean, this risk to reward situation. Looking very good here, only using a 10 hicks here, so can... and only using with 1,000 US dollars here for the 5k to 100k challenge here. But of course, it would be a very, very good step once again here. People are saying ADA. And I mean, let's look at ADA, of course. But yeah, we also need that Bitcoin retest, of course, because Bitcoin, yeah, if Bitcoin is going to retest this level, that would be very, very nice to open a new position here once again here. And oh, by the way, I forgot totally. We also got a donation from Depoist here. From Daniel, sorry for only going into your request right now, but you're saying, great show, bro. Can you please do your analysis on NXS? Nexus is great tech. Nexus is great tech, great project. Have been following them for years, so we'll look into Nexus. And I'm sorry for only just reading this, but yeah, right away we'll look into it, my friend. Sorry, Daniel. But yeah, Daniel, let me see what I have for you, because Nexus, if you've been following it for already years, and if you believe in the project, that's first a very important thing, because you want to buy into projects where you believe in. And yeah, if you look to this Fibonacci chart, going very, very high already, of course, as you can see here. But yeah, looking at the 4 hourly, you can see here resistance flipping into support. As you can see, resistance, support. So that's already very, very nice market structure. But yeah, right now going absolutely parabolic, as you can see, having a huge run up here, getting rejected right now by this 4.236 Fibonacci level, already 2 touches here, so getting rejected, and probably is going to be a very significant resistance target. And yeah, if you look to the Fibonacci line, I mean, this is the final extension line here. The 4.618 is of course the most significant resistance line, but already having this huge run up coming in here, and I mean very likely that is going to stop anytime soon here. 700% in such a small period of time here, and I mean buying into these pumps is very risky. Like I told you already, I don't really like it. It's not my strategy. And looking to Ethereum, just missed the boat here, what is pretty unfortunate. Just missed the boat here, and Bitcoin also exploding, and yeah, we'll have to wait and see how this will go here. But yeah, right now Bitcoin and Ethereum exploding very quickly here. Unfortunately, just missed the trade by only $3, guys. But maybe still we're going to get this one, so not freaking out. Still waiting on the sidelines for a second here, because we can still get this entry in here. But yeah, look at the Nexus. I mean, should be playing it careful right now, trading against resistance here. But yeah, let's look at Bitcoin real quickly here, because Bitcoin, yeah, it's showing. Did Bitcoin create a new all-time high? Yeah, Bitcoin created a new all-time high. So guys, congratulations once again here. Bitcoin creating a new all-time high here. Of course, very nice. But we did want to get this entry in here on Bitcoin, and yeah, right now Bitcoin, of course, creating a week on the top side, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to go to 63k here, but not rushing into a trade right now, because of course it can also still reverse here to the downside, and then you're absolutely getting wrecked here. So please don't rush into a trade here, because it's absolutely suicide if you're right now rushing into anything. But yeah, let me have a quick look here to this chart. And guys, if you want to join me as well here on some trades on Femex, you can use my referral link in the description. Will be very nice, of course. Be very nice. So yeah, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I can see. I'm right now looking at some different charts as well, and also getting a donation from. Let me see. M8 Cent donated $10 Thank you for your donation, and probably you took a trade here, but thank you for supporting the channel here. And of course, guys, we're giving every signals here free on the channel, free in the live streams. It would be very nice if you're maybe smashing up these like buttons, guys. Right now, having 1,400 live viewers would be amazing if we can maybe reach the 700 likes here. Guys, I'm doing this completely for free, so only hitting that like button would be already very, very nice for me. So thank you all for enjoying the stream right now, and also hitting that subscribe button, guys. By the way, having 15.3k subscribers, very cool here. So looking forward already to hit that 16 or 20k here, because at the 20k here, probably going to do some kind of a ledger giveaway, or some kind of a giveaway at least. So would be very nice if you are supporting to the channel. I mean, right now, subscribing to the channel. But yeah, let's get in the price action, because yeah, I mean, this is looking very interesting, and of course, unfortunately, missing out here on Femex just by a few dollars, only by $3. But yeah, of course, not rushing into anything, and I mean, it's not bad at all. And we will look into some more opportunities here. We will look into more opportunities. So let me see. I will analyze some more charts here real quickly. I will look into tron.finance, because maybe this will give us a very good opportunity as well, because I would like to open a trade here, of course, with you guys all together. But yeah, for now, I'm not seeing clear signals to open a trade here, not seeing clear signals to open a long position here. Let me see if we're probably it's already 22% increase if we're going to go back to the previous all-time high here. So still have to wait a little bit longer here. And guys, hitting 700 likes, you guys are absolutely legends. You are legends. You are absolutely legends. So let's look at Polkadot, because a lot of people are saying Polkadot, and yeah, we can also open a trade, of course, on Polkadot. But yeah, Polkadot seeing once again follow through getting created. Still have to wait a little bit longer here. Would like to open a trade, of course, but not rushing into anything. So I mean, yeah, probably going to find some kind of resistance once again around these levels. And if we're going to maybe see a break here and having the retest, maybe it will give us another opportunity to open a trade here. So yeah, we'll have to wait a little bit longer here. We'll have to wait a little bit longer. Rover, did you start an account with 5k? Yes, we're doing the 5k to 100k challenge all together here on the channel, and also keeping you guys updated. Okay, look, Jarek also giving the trade status about the Ethereum trade setup, and that's very nice that he's giving you guys an update here. I can see it right now in the trading channel sector, and let me see. Sorry, you're getting a message. So sorry guys, have to send a quick message here. So yeah, still waiting for this Ethereum setup. Maybe going to trade this. Guys, you have to know, maybe there will be some difference in the market and we really have to abort this trade. Then once we are aborting this trade, we will keep you guys also updated here on we will keep you guys also updated here on our Discord server. So yeah, I really want to keep an eye out on the Discord server. Also building this strong community, guys. So let me see. Everyone is saying ADA here. Everyone is saying ADA, but only looking for opening a trade on the ADA once we're hitting these lower levels here. Once we're going lower here, and also we can open a trade here on FEMX on ADA. So that's no problem at all. But if we're going to have this touch around the 98 cents here, I will be opening a position here on ADA, but not any earlier. Not going to rush into anything here. But I mean, this position here will be a very, very good opportunity to enter a trade here. Do I also need 5k then for the challenge, or also 1k? You can use however how much money you ever like here. I don't know your financial situation. You can even do it with $50 here. It totally does not matter here. We are only doing the 5k to 100k challenge to show you how we are doing it. We could have also done it with €5 to €5 to 100 euros. It's exactly the same here, but does not matter how much money you are using. So my tiny cyclers, you're saying love your content, subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for leaving this like here and also having 760 likes, guys. You are absolutely smashing it right now. So thank you once again for supporting the channel here. And we are just going to continue, of course, with the content here, which for you guys. So yeah, the trade is not active here, not active yet at least. So let me see. Yeah, Polkastar also breaking, doing a pretty okay job here. Maybe breaking this bull flag here, what is pretty interesting, because you can see here the touch of this, maybe this retest of the previous resistance right now flipping into support. And you know the next target here, if you measure it from here on, I mean, it will be sitting around $10.34 here. So Polkastar looking very strong in the immediate short term. And Megusan donated once again to Australian dollars. Thank you for the donation. You are saying thoughts on AP3, love the stream. So we'll right away look in AP3 for you, my friend, and we'll also look for some trading opportunities, because we would like to get a trade in for this stream on this lazy Sunday. And of course, thank you for your donation, Mejusan, or I don't know how can I pronounce your name, Mejusan, but I mean, it's very hard, first of all, to give you my thoughts on coins with not a lot of data. And I can see here only since the 22nd of December we are having data here on the coin market cap page. So yeah, first of all, we'll identify here this Fibonacci 2. You can see resistance here is on the top of the channel. So we'll use not the Fibonacci tool right now, because I don't think this is all too significant on this new chart here. It's not working very well on new charts, as you can see here. But yeah, right now maybe I have to use the parallel channel here, because the parallel channel is maybe acting more, showing some more significance here, because if you look to this chart, if you look to this possibility, you can maybe see symmetrical triangle right now getting formed. I mean, it's looking very good here in my opinion, and right now still seeing finally some move to the downwards, some move to the downside here for Ethereum. So maybe opening a trade anytime soon here live in the stream. But yeah, if you look to AP3, trading in this parallel channel, in my opinion, you're creating higher highs, you're creating higher lows. So it's looking very strong here in my opinion. So I still have to wait and see how this will go for AP3 here, but having another touch of this lower line will probably only be very bullish here, because you're once again creating a lower high. And after this touch of this support line here on the downside, you can maybe think of opening a position here, or you can maybe think of opening a long holding position here, because I do still think for the at least for the coming 2 months here, that the price will go higher, because I think that the bull market is still here to last for at least coming to 2 more months. So, I mean, getting an entry here is very good here. And you guys have to know, in the final leg of the bull market, all these other altcoins will explode here. And then we are literally going to see the parabolic move coming in here. And then you're going to see a 400% increase in one day here. So, getting an entry right now is still not too late here. So, also getting another donation. And your request here is 1 inch and BZ RX breaking out, triangle on the 1 hour. So let me see at 1 inch. You have to know I love the 1 inch here, and 1 inch is, in my opinion, set to break out here anytime soon here. You can see going once again in consolidation here for a long period of time already. So let me see what I do think right now of 1 inch, and you're saying breaking out of the triangle on 1 hourly, and I mean, you were maybe forming some kind of triangle here previously. You were forming this downward sloping resistance line, and then you flipped it into support. But I don't really like this, to be honest. You can see, first of all, you can see right now forming a lot of supportive bounces from this Fibonacci level. And like I told you already, guys, we were already telling you this around the 10th of February, already for a long period of time, already looking to 1 inch for a long moment of time. And we were saying, right, flipping green once again here on Ethereum, so still waiting a little bit longer. But yeah, you can see here, this every time once you're buying on the Fibonacci line, it was a very, very good buying opportunity. So if you did so, yeah, very good job, of course. And yeah, I mean, you're not really seeing a triangle, to be honest. Yeah, you can maybe see, you can maybe say it like this, but I don't really like that, to be honest. But yeah, you can maybe forming another, maybe you're forming finally a nice pattern here, that you are forming something like this here. But yeah, probably you were looking to this one, to this downward sloping resistance line, but here flipped into support. So if you look to this scenario here, I mean, yeah, you can see, yeah, we are breaking out of this triangle, because here you were forming this triangle here. That is completely true. And the price target of this triangle will not be as significant, because you can see the breakout here. The target already was getting met here on 1 inch. So still have to wait a little bit longer how we are going to see what 1 inch is going to do here. But I mean, another retest of this level will once again give you a very good buying opportunity, just like it did in the previous times here. But BZRX, let me look at BZRX, BZX protocol. So let me see what you guys have for me also after this one in the chat here, because I would love to open a live trade here, of course. Would love to open a live trade. And you're saying, look at the 1 hourly breaking out of the triangle. I mean, this is maybe showing a little bit more significance, but you can see here we got a fake out here previously, got supported over here, so probably we're expecting that we are going to go higher from here. Then you broke down once again here, and yeah, of course, let me see, let me draw it like this. You're forming this upward sloping support line, so maybe you were forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here on this chart, and then you saw this fake out, but right now getting supported by the support line once again and breaking out once again. So probably going to see a breakout right now on this coin. I mean, looking very strong, but with Bitcoin moving so quickly to the upside, this coin is not getting the opportunity to really break out here, because we want to see Bitcoin chill down a little bit, because then this altcoin can increase once again. But this increase of price can be approximately 51%, but we don't want to see a fake out like we saw over here. Right now we really want to see the follow through getting created. So my man, this coin is looking very strong in my opinion. Finally seeing the breakout can be 53% here to the upside. So let's see how this will go here, and we will keep an eye out on this coin. And by the way, guys, only 17 likes away from the 800 likes, so it would be very cool if we can reach this 800 likes here. You're completely supporting the channel for free here. Would be very cool if you're doing so. So let me know if you smash up the likes. Would be very, very cool here, of course. Does Crypto Rover still has this trade open Bitcoin? No, we don't have a trade currently open on Bitcoin. But I mean, did want to take this trade here on Ethereum, but right now not showing that we are getting a bounce in. So I do want to wait a little bit longer here. Maybe it's very good if Bitcoin also will reverse here, because if Bitcoin will reverse, Ethereum will follow, but Ethereum probably will follow even more, and we maybe really need to exit the trade here. But if you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, this is making me feel pretty bullish about Ethereum in the immediate short term. Of course, still not showing enough strength here, but you are forming a bullish divergence that can maybe help and push the price higher for Ethereum. And maybe a potential take profit area is if we are hitting this white line here, because probably going to find some kind of rejection once again here compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, we'll have to wait a little bit longer here, but we will see how Ethereum will react to this in the coming live stream here. So yeah, thank you. And thank you guys. I see you guys all liking the stream once again here, so that's absolutely grateful here. Enjoying it, of course, with you guys. Enjoying spending my time with you guys. where to buy Polkastar, you can buy it on Uniswap. And guys, you have to know, if you're spamming, you're getting blocked there in the chat, so please don't spam. And see, also a lot of new people are joining the Discord server, so welcome all in the Discord server. Getting another donation here from Daniel. So Daniel, sorry for answering your previous question so late here. Oh wait, it's someone else here. It's from Dirty B4B B4N4N4N4, and thoughts on BQX Forager coin. I mean, Forager is doing a very good job here. Forager also recently having some good news here, I know, because a lot of friends of me are holding Forager. And I mean, if you look to this chart, I can see massive run up to the upside, forming this bull flag, breaking once again to the upside, and consolidating, another bull flag forming, and now once again seeing this insane run up to the upside. So already, yeah, I mean, if you bought Forager at these lower levels, you were doing a very good job already. And of course, if you bought it already at these very, very low levels, already increased your money with 44x here. And you could have bought this at approximately January. So, I mean, Forager's right now just crushing it. And you can see right now doing a very good job once again, creating another leg to the upside here. So, looking to the Fibonacci tool, right now trading around this 0.382 level here. But it's very interesting. If you look to the bigger picture, we already also got this Fibonacci set up here from... let me see. We also got this Fibonacci set up here from the bottom to the top side here. Oh, this is weird. Oh, I have it on logarithmic. That's why. That is why. Oh, that's pretty weird here. So this is the chart of Forager here. Of course, I unfortunately had it on logarithmic. That is why it was looking so weird here. But yeah, Forager, of course, very high price history. But yeah, if you look right now to the immediate short term on the daily, breaking this Fibonacci level, very nice here, closing the next one above this line. So retest of this 0.382 in the Fibonacci line will be not even bad here. Will be still very, very bullish here. So Forager absolutely going parabolic here, looking very strong here. So next target is around $7.67 here. So Forager doing very good. We'll have to wait and see how this go, of course. But I mean, the market structure is looking very good. Very good buying opportunities you had on this chart. Forming this bull flags here and forming another bull flag over here. I mean, it was very, very giving you a lot of opportunities here to step into Forager. And still, even if you entered around this bull flag, and we were discussing this live in the stream, you still could have been up 180%. So you didn't miss out at all here. But I mean, getting into it right now is pretty risky in my approach. For hourly overextended, daily overextended, weekly overextended. So all the indicators are right now saying to me that's overextended here. But yeah, Forager is doing a very good job here. And next target is sitting around to $7.67 here. But an asset that is also doing a very good job right now is Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin once again printing a new all-time high here. And of course, GG for everyone who is right now in a Bitcoin position here. Unfortunately, we just missed out with our Ethereum position. It was absolutely pretty sad here, of course. Pretty sad here, of course. And yeah, only 49 likes away from the 900 likes here. So if you have it already, you know what to do here. You can like the video here if you are enjoying it. Will be very nice, of course. You're supporting the channel here, completely for free. And see also a lot of new people are joining the Discord server. So welcome to the Crypto Rover Discord. Welcome everyone. We're trying to help you out here, all to become better traders here, and trying to build a strong community here. And that is what we are right now doing, and we are doing a very good job here. Already over 6,000 members here on the Discord server. So yeah, that's looking very strong here. And guys, if you have any questions here, I try to answer of course, a lot of questions for you guys here in the Discord server. But last weekend I was away, so I was not really active in the Discord server. But this coming week, of course, I will be a little bit more active here and will answer your questions as well on the Discord server. At least I will try to, because there will probably come a lot of questions here, and I cannot answer them. So yeah, still waiting for Ethereum, maybe having this touch here of this level 1955. Do we need to close the Ethereum order? Not yet, because we can still get this touch here. But once I'm closing it, guys, I will tell to you guys, and we'll also send a message in Discord server, because maybe new people are right now anticipating this as well here, and don't want to maybe annoy you guys. And Yarick is right now giving the current status here, also of the trade here. So he will keep you guys updated as well here. So yeah, once we are doing something with the trade here, we will keep you guys updated here. So yeah, it would be awesome, of course, if Link finally doesn't move today, and maybe trying to open a position also on Link, because I do think a lot of altcoins are ready to moon here. A lot of altcoins are ready to moon. So yeah, you have a lot of assets here on Femex, and also Uniswap doing a very good job here. Maybe Elrond. Let's see. Let's look at Elrond here. Maybe we're getting a good buying opportunity on Elrond, and maybe we're opening a position on it. But yeah, Elrond looking like cooling off for a second here, in my opinion. Not seeing a clear entry, to be honest. Let's look at Litecoin here, because yeah, Litecoin, yeah, could have already, if we were opening a position, we already should have done it 1 hour ago. Not right now, too risky. Let's look at APE here. Let me see APE. Someone is saying APE is breaking out here, and I mean I'll drew my very nice drawings here, but we'll remove it real quickly here. And APE was forming this nice W here, but didn't hold the neckline, so that was of course very unfortunate. But you were seeing this very beautiful W, and then having this touch, but couldn't hold it, so we broke down. Right now finding a resistance at this level. So, I mean, APE not looking very strong in my opinion here. Not looking very strong, but let's see how this will go. Let's see how this will go. But yeah, trade is still, for now on, still active here on Ethereum, but still have to wait a little bit longer here. Do you have another open order in Femex? Not yet. And if we are going to have a new order open here in Femex, we will keep you guys updated here. We'll keep you guys updated about this trading challenge. So yeah, you can use my Femex referral link here in the description, because if you're using the Femex referral link here, you are having these exact same numbers here. So if you're already having the exact same numbers on the same exchange, you can really enter the trade with the same order entry. Because yeah, if you're using Bybit or so, then you can see here also a difference in dollars. Here it's sitting around 1965, and here on Femex sitting around 1968. So every exchange is different, and that's the reason why you should. Yeah, of course, I'm not saying anything here. I cannot give you any advice here, not any financial advice. But I mean, it's very nice if we are having the same exchange, because then we can push the market together here with these same numbers here. So yeah, let's see. Check out DOT here. So yeah, DOT breaking out. So people are saying DOT breaking out. Yeah, I mean, DOT still has to break this resistance of the Fibonacci level. So DOT still has to break this Fibonacci level. So still have to wait and see how this will go here for Polkadot. Still have to wait and see how this goes. And by the way, only 40 subscribers away from the 15.4k subscribers, guys. That will be very cool, of course. Where will the entry be for Bitcoin? And we'll keep you guys updated, of course, if we're entering a position on Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, thank you for also subscribing to the channel. Only 40 subscribers away from the 15.4k. So I mean, I am loving it to see this, of course. You guys benefiting from it, and also a lot of new people are still joining the Discord server, what is also very nice, of course, because yeah, we want to help you guys out here. And yeah, so yeah, someone's saying want to open a trade on Link. I mean, if you look to the 15-minute, okay, you can see this is a W here also, but on the 1 hourly you can see that we are forming a lower high. So that's not nice for me. But yeah, if we're going to take out this previous high and then have this retest, I mean, that will be still very bullish for Link. But yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go here. Maybe have to open the trade also for Link. So yeah, I mean, you guys are all loving Link, I see, and you have to know I'm loving Link as well here. So we'll look for an opportunity here, of course, because I will look for an opportunity here. I mean, this upward sloping support line was holding up pretty well here, so this was a good buying opportunity. $33. But right now I find it too risky. Maybe if we're seeing this retracement coming in here and having another touch of this level, maybe I will open a trade as well here, because I would like to open a swing trade right now with our Femex account here, because I do think with our Femex account that we can get a very, very nice trade here on Link, and that we can maybe make some big steps here for the Chainlink price and also our trading competition, because the 5k to 100k, I do think we can make it work here. And if we're having this great trade here on Chainlink as well here, it can maybe help us out also. So and if you look to this to this Ethereum chart, still have to wait a little bit longer. Still have to wait a little bit longer here. Yeah, Bitcoin still creating this wick on the top side also. So I mean, would be very Bitcoin trading at new all-time highs, guys. That's very interesting. When are you taking profits on your Bybit Link trade? Already took some profits, but not taking profits yet, because I do think that Link still has to explode. And this is basically my long-term trade here, trying to hold this open for Link maybe going to let's say $50 or $60, because I do still think that we can reach that. And someone is saying, Rove, how can I join the Discord server? You can go in the live chat, or if you go in the live chat, you see the pinned comment with join the Discord. And if you go to the description, you can also see join the Discord here. So description or in the live chat, you can find the link of the Discord server. So if you want to join it, be my guest. What's up? Yeah, welcome, Mafia. So guys, let me know what you guys right now think about the market. And by the way, only 3 likes away from the 900 likes. So we're right now crushing it with these likes here. So let's see if we can reach 900 likes. It would be very cool here. So Thomas also donated. Can you please check comp? And of course I will check comp. And maybe there's also a trading opportunity here on comp. So my friend, I will look in compound here for you. And we were already had a quick look just a couple minutes ago in here for compound. Because of course compound doing a pretty good job here. Doing a pretty good job here. So if you look to this, I say compound, I mean comp here. So if you look to comp, okay, right now consolidating around to 1.786. So that's pretty good here. Creating wicks on the downside, basically showing that we are pretty greedy to step into the market over here. So that's of course first of all very nice. And if I look to this chart here, you can see of course right now creating a lower high. So if we really want to extend this trend here, because right now it is showing us that we are cooling off here, because here we are creating a higher high. So trend to the upside was still intact here, but right now creating a lower high and not showing enough strength here. So maybe it's very likely to see some sideways action here. And don't think that we're really going to break down here, but I mean, already having this huge run up here, consolidation at these levels is very, very good here, because in the end, if you're consolidating enough here, you can have this massive run up to the upside once again here anytime soon. So of course for now on still have to wait a little bit longer here. But yeah, if we're maybe forming a new pattern here, maybe forming some kind of a downward sloping resistance line, and forming this descending triangle here, and maybe having another touch anytime soon, and then seeing breakouts coming in near dates around the 26th of February. So still have to wait and see a little bit longer here for a compound. But I mean, usually these patterns break to the upside here, and with Bitcoin also setting this new all-time high once again, do think that these altcoins will follow in the end of the day. So for now on, still have to wait a little bit longer here. And I mean, my friend, compound is looking very strong here. Compound is looking pretty well. How do I deposit USD in Femex? If you want to deposit USD in Femex, you just go to My Assets, and then you go to deposit, and then you go here to buy crypto, and then you select Bitcoin or USDT, and then you can buy with your Visa, MasterCard, or Union Pay, whatever you want, and you can buy into USD through Femex. So if you want to, you can do it over there. And a lot of trading volume right now on Femex, by the way. A lot of people are right now trading on Femex. And I mean, Femex is going to add even more altcoins. And I'm, likely shifting over to Femex right now. Just because I'm enjoying, I mean, the platform is better for me. It's working better for me. So that's the reason why I'm right now using it. And yeah, if you want to use it as well, you can use my referral link right now in the description. So it will be, of course, very cool if you're using it. It will be very cool, of course, if you're using it. When are you opening your Ethereum trade? You can see the exact details in the Discord server. So if you go to the Discord server and you go to trading competition, you can find the exact details about the trade that we are willing to trade. We are willing to take, and also the status of the trade, what we're currently doing it, and what we're planning to do with the trade. So, I mean, yeah, looking forward, of course. So yeah, still thank you for your donation, Thomas, and there were more opinions about comp. So we'll take a quick bite of my apple real quickly. So give me a second. How to withdraw? You can also do the same with withdrawal. Then you go to Femex, you go to My Assets, and then you go to withdraw. So very easy to withdraw as well. Very easy as well. So yeah, that's basically also my reason why I like Femex here. What do you think about RSR? So D Marie, thank you once again for your donation here, and let me look at the RSR for you. I mean, I was already watching this chart for a moment, so yeah, I will give you my opinion real quickly about this chart. I have to adjust this trend line first of all, because I do want to say here, you can see forming a resistance right now, already having 3 touches here. So I mean, probably this new resistance is valid here, and also the support of the Fibonacci is for now on holding on here. You can see the 1.272 here is holding up very significantly. Here you can also already see holding up here. Here you saw the fake out to the downside, but got supported by this lower line of the 1. So here you also got supported. So I mean, probably heading towards the resistance line once again here, very likely at least. So do want to see the break of this resistance line to the downside here, because a lot of altcoins, just like EGLD, etc., is forming this downward sloping resistance line, and do want to break it before flipping very bullish here, in my opinion. So, my friend, I should at least take this with a little bit more cautious here. And my friend, I don't know, I think you're... yeah, T. Marie. So I should take this with caution here. And of course, if you're holding already, I mean, you're doing a pretty good job here, because you already saw this pretty significant increase. And I already, once I was looking previously into this chart, I told you guys, okay, if we're ever going to hit this white line, I mean, that would be a very good buying opportunity. And that's maybe a place where I would be buying, because, I mean, I'm not willing to step into this coin. But once we are hitting this white line, I would definitely step into it, because I think that can really set up this next parabolic move here for this coin. So we'll have to wait and see how this will go, of course, and maybe we're getting pushed even lower once we're hitting this resistance target. But if we're already breaking out here, probably need a retest, and then we can really continue the trend here. But what you do want to see here is create at least a higher high than the previous high, and then you can maybe say, okay, the trend is right now reversing, so set a higher high than previous high, and it will be already very good. So we'll have to wait and, of course, see how this chart evolves. But right now, trading against resistance would be very nice if we can still break it. Set a higher high, have this retest maybe of this Fibonacci level, and then continue with breaking the previous high also. So you have to see how the structure will go on this chart. And people are saying Ethereum, yeah, guys, we missed out our trade on Ethereum, and probably will close this, man. Probably will close this. I will close this order. So I will give this through to Yannick, Yarick as well. So unfortunately, we missed out here, but I will close this order here. I will close this order, so you will press cancel order. And also in the Discord server, I will keep you guys up to date here. And I will say to Yarick, so guys, this Ethereum trade is right now not valid anymore. In my opinion, I won't take it as well here. So probably heading towards these levels around 2K here once again. Maybe going to set a new all-time high as well. So not rushing into anything here. And if we're seeing a live, oh man, please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming in the chat, you will get reported here, and you won't be able to talk anymore. So guys, everyone who's spamming right now is getting blocked. So please don't spam in the chat here. So let me see what you guys are saying. With spamming, your ADA is still rising. Yeah, let's look at ADA. I mean, okay, yeah, ADA is still doing a pretty okay job here. And I mean, a lot of altcoins are right now doing a very good job here. So getting a donation as well here. So we'll look into the donation real quickly here from Daniel. So let me see. It's from Dirty B4N4N4 here. Once again, donated 10 US dollars here. And thank you for donation, first of all. Talking about percentages and risk management. How realistic is it to reach our goal? You're probably talking about the 50 to 100k. How are your thoughts on compounding? And if we're entering a bear market, will you consider shorting? I mean, if we're already entering a bear market, of course I will short here. But for now on, don't see a signal of the bear market yet. And I will not try and catch the top here of the bull market. I mean, catching the top of the bull market is just absolutely committing suicide here. So yeah, once we are really seeing the bear market start here, I mean, I will definitely take some shorts. So we'll look into compounding, and then we'll look for the tag real quickly. So cannot find compounding, to be honest. So maybe I have to go to CoinGecko for you, my friend. And I cannot find compounding. I cannot find compounding. So that's a coin that is not existing here. It's not existing. So, my friend, sorry that I cannot look in your request here, but let me know if you have a different request for me. But compounding, cannot find it on CoinGecko, cannot find it over there. And yeah, I cannot find it here as well in B2C chart. So let me know what it is exactly. But yeah, I mean, how likely is that we are going to reach our target? I mean, I just recently shifted my thoughts here a little bit about the bull market, that it will probably end rather sooner than later. I do think that it will be ending earlier than we are expecting right now. So that is maybe shifting my thoughts here. And the thing here is, we will see how far we will come. And once we are entering the bear market, maybe we will have to end our challenge. But once we are doing so, we will keep you guys updated. But at least we will try and come as far as possible here. So, of course, not rushing into anything. And that's also the reason why we are, basically not rushing into trades. Because if we're setting a time target on our challenge, we're rushing into trades more, and that is not our strategy here. So yeah, we'll have to see how this will go, of course. Sorry, I see. I mean, he means with compounding, increase leverage over time and add more to your position. I mean, you probably mean that. You probably mean that. I'm sorry. So yeah, I see it already coming in here. So if you're meaning with that, I mean that's also a strategy that I was using here with my my Chainlink trade here. I was first having my entry already around $22, if I say it correctly, $21 to $22. So I increased my leverage and added more to my position. And of course, if you're catching a swing trade entry, what of course are the most beautiful entries, you can definitely increase the leverage and add more to your position. You only want to add to your position if you're seeing clear retracements and a clear bottom, getting a signal of a clear bottom here of this that downward momentum phase. But I mean, that's a very good strategy, and then you can still easily reach it, of course, because then you can really increase your price very quickly here. And by the way, looking to the likes here, guys, only 52 likes away from the 1k likes here, so it will be of course very nice if we're reaching our target. So yeah, let's see if we can do so. And right now, if you look to the lower time frame, you can see the previous all-time high is right now getting retested here on the Bitcoin chart. So that's pretty interesting. Bitcoin getting this retest right now coming in. Bitcoin retesting the previous all-time high. So yeah, this is looking very interesting. Of course, creating big wicks on the top side, not indicating all too much strength here. But yeah, Bitcoin right now retesting the previous all-time high. So let me see. Let's check BNB real quickly. Let's check BNB real quickly here. People are saying, please check BNB. BNB. I know a lot of you guys are right now loving BNB, and the reason for why people are loving BNB right now is, of course, because it's moving very, very quickly to the upside here. And I mean, it's very risky to buy in right now because you can see it's very, very overextended, in my opinion. Yeah, you can see this massive increase in price, and I mean, if you're buying right now, you're just buying at such high prices. And I mean, I'm not willing to buy over here because I'm already getting exposed. I'm already exposed to BNB, and of course, I still think that BNB will do very, very good for the long run here, and we'll have to wait and see how this, of course, will go here. We'll have to wait and see, of course, how this will go here for Binance Coin. But I mean, Binance Coin very likely to see is some kind of correction, very overextended. Very overextended right now. And that's the reason why I'm not stepping into trades right now on Binance. Already have a Binance trade open. I mean, already having my hodl position open, and I'm very bad at multitasking over here. So sorry for lagging behind. And also getting another donation from Amido, so we'll look in your request as well. But I mean, Binance Coin pretty overextended. Please be cautious here. I know you guys. A lot of new guys are coming to the market, and always, I know it because I was here in 2017, and I was also pretty new to the market. So I saw also prices of approximately 50% increase in a day, and always your feeling is always saying you have to buy into these coins that are already pumping so quickly. So you can see Binance Coin already pumping 112% this week, and that is usually the reason why people are buying into Binance Coin. But in my opinion, you should buy into these coins that haven't pumped yet for the last 7 days. And I mean, then I like to look to Chainlink here, and to think still that Chainlink will blast off anytime soon here. So guys, please buy in coins that haven't popped yet. Buy into coins that have good fundamentals and haven't popped yet here. And that is the reason why I should look to Chainlink. So that is the reason also why I'm staying away from Binance Coin right now. But I will look at Ocean for you real quickly. So Amedo, thank you for $2 US donation, and we'll look into Ocean for you. We'll look into Ocean here. So yeah, if you look to the chart here, you can see 2.618 here acting as support, and previously was acting as resistance. You can see here resistance, 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 and right now you can see this minor touch here on the 1 hourly time frame, and it was acting as support. 2 touches here, it was acting as support. So let's see how far we can continue here, because in my opinion this is looking very strong here. Resistance flipping into support is always a very, very bullish thing here, in my opinion. So I mean, if I look to Ocean here, it's looking very strong here, in my opinion, if I look to this chart at all. And I mean, guys, and I see some people saying I'm a noob. I mean, I'm not saying that you guys are bad or so, because I only want to teach you guys things here, and that is the reason. Please be cautious with buying into coins that already have pumped so significantly. And I mean, I'm not saying that Binance Coin will not increase once again here with 100%. It can still do so, but it's less likely because the market cap is already increasing so quickly. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, I'm just wanting to help you guys here in the chat and also in the Discord server. So I mean, 2.618 here, acting as probably good support here. Probably going to take out this previous high as well. Already having a higher 1 hourly candle close, what is already very good. So let's see if we're going to create the follow through right now. Yeah, next target sitting around to $1.55 here. So it would be still an increase of approximately, let me see, 20% here. So that's a very, very good job if you're taking this trade here on Ocean. And Ocean is doing a very good job, and maybe going to continue the uptrend once again, because broke the downtrend right now, forming a new uptrend, setting higher lows here once again. So getting another donation from MBX10, you donated €2, and thank you for donation. And also I can see hitting 1,000 likes, guys. Thank you so much for liking the content. And yeah, I mean, also 20 subscribers away from the 15.4k subscribers. So if you want to join me as well, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It will be very cool here, because we're heading to 20k, and it will be amazing if you're a part of the family here. So yeah, thank you already for subscribing to the channel. And MBX10, you are saying, can you please look at EOS? Thank you for your work, and thank you for your donation as well here. And very nice that you're appreciating the channel. And thank you once again for donating here, because I remember your name, and you're an absolutely legend, of course. So let me see. I will look at it. Yeah, you're creating here, first of all, EOS, finding resistance at this 0.5 level here, and you're creating this previous stop here. Creating a lower high, what is already very bad in my opinion, because yeah, creating a lower high is always a structure what you are seeing in a downtrend here. But the thing is, you're also creating higher lows. So basically, it is maybe telling us that we are trading in some kind of a pattern, because always in patterns you're setting lower highs and higher lower highs and higher whoa, you're always in a pattern you're creating. I mean, not always, but always in continuation patterns you are creating lower highs and higher lows. So basically that's a pattern what you are seeing in a symmetrical triangle. So maybe forming a symmetrical triangle once again here, and you see a lot of symmetrical triangles playing out here in the Bitcoin chart, because these patterns, you see them a lot here in bull markets. So I mean, I'm loving these patterns, of course, because it's very likely that you're seeing a break to the upside here. And I mean, if you look to EOS, it's also very likely to see this break once again coming here to the upside. So I mean, I'm looking forward already to this breakout to the upside. So we will have to wait and see. But this breakout to the upside can be very significant, because this is a very big scale chart here. And I mean, if you look to the breakout here, of course you want to see it differently. But I will take this one real quickly here. It can be an increase of 25% here to the upside for EOS. That is pretty high here. So we will keep an eye out on EOS. And I mean, this pattern is looking pretty well here, because yeah, you are, like I told you before, creating lower highs, creating higher lows. Yeah, typical signs of this symmetrical triangle. So would like to see some more touches here on the top side, maybe more touches on the lower side would be very nice here, and then we can really see this pattern yeah, really play out here. So yeah, let's see how this will go here. And man, please, you have to know, if you're spamming in the chat here, you will get blocked and you won't get answered here. So I mean, please don't spam in the chat here. I'm trying to help you out, of course. But yeah, let me see. I will set a timer real quickly here in the chat here, so I can answer your questions better. Here. I'm right now fixing it. So let me set it on 10 seconds here. So yeah, right now you have slow chat. So these people cannot spam anymore. That's maybe a better thing that we are doing this. Hey guys, hey CryptoRove, what do you think about entry for Cardano? I mean, Cardano still looking for an entry, but right now still want to see a major decrease in price before really entering a long position here. But yeah, also you can see Bitcoin right now decreasing in value. And guys, you have to know, I'm already out of this potential situation, this potential entry of the Ethereum price action. Right now, also seeing a massive red candle here. So please, please be cautious here. I'm not trading it right now. Not trading it. Maybe if you look to the 1 hourly, you can trade this one on the body closes. But I'm not trading this at all right now. Just got out of my potential entry here. So yeah, we missed out by approximately $3. Otherwise, we would have rided here to 1977 US dollars. So not rushing into anything right now. Bitcoin also seeing this massive decrease in price here. So yeah, that's the reason why Ethereum right now is following. And yeah, of course, only looking for the best opportunities here. So yeah, that's the reason. And GRT, people are saying in the chat GRT here. So I mean, I will check the GRT for you. Entry on BTC incoming. We will keep you guys updated once we're spawning a very good entry here on BTC. Of course, we would like to enter it. And yeah, GRT right now trading once again above this Fibonacci level, very good here. But still, on the 4 hourly, this is more significant. Yeah, on the 4 hourly, you can see top side still haven't broke it. So we do want to break this downward sloping resistance line on GRT here first, before flipping insanely bullish once again here. So I mean, yeah, looking at Chainlink finding this very solid bounce here. I mean, that's looking very good here, and do want to see this decrease in price before really entering a new position here, or even adding more to our position. So have to wait a little bit longer here. And guys, make sure to smash up the like button. Only 37 likes away from the 1.1k likes. So it would be, of course, very amazing if we're reaching it. So we will have to wait and see, of course, how we find this. So I will look into this right away. And if we are getting an opportunity, guys, you have to know I will take this opportunity. So I will take this opportunity, and I see a lot of people benefiting from me, and I'm loving to see it because I'm trying to educate you guys and trying to help you guys out. And that's the whole game plan of me. So yeah, still looking for, of course, an opportunity on any asset here that we are probably willing to trade here. And let's look at Uniswap once again, yeah, because yeah, of course, we yesterday saw this Uniswap pump so quickly here once again to the upside, and yeah, there was a very good buying opportunity on this Fibonacci line here. Very good buying opportunity if you bought over here. It was basically giving us a lift off once again here. So yeah, I mean, yeah, once again here, if you look to this chart right now, creating lower highs was of course not all too good. Very likely to create a bearish divergence, and we did create a bearish divergence over here. It was not the most beautiful bearish divergence, but it was a bearish divergence. Probably likely to create another bearish divergence once we are going higher here. Because previously we were pretty overextended, and right now we cooled off with the RSI. So very likely that we're going to create this bearish divergence in the price chart. So let me see what you guys are thinking. And yeah, would like to enter a trade, of course. But yesterday, fortunately, I couldn't be home because yesterday they were giving us very insane good entry prices here for all these coins. And yesterday they all pumped, but probably today it will continue here. But this is right now on the Sunday. Maybe tomorrow we are going to see the massive increases in price because tomorrow it's Monday once again. And guys, you have to know, tomorrow on Monday, we will stream once again here on the channel. So if you're interested in these kinds of live streams, you make sure to subscribe to the channel here, and yeah, then you will be notified once we are uploading or doing a stream. So yeah, make sure to also hit that like button, and I mean make sure also to hit that ring button. If you're hitting the bell, you will be staying up to date every single time. And by the way, only 10 subscribers away from the 15.4k, so getting very close right now. And we'll look at the Ethereum real quickly because, yeah, guys, yeah, we did want to get this entry on Ethereum. And if you look to this scenario here, and I don't know what it is doing here, because here you can see it is not, stop side is not correctly. I should have drawn, should stay it like this, because I think it changed it once again here. Because once I'm always on my telephone, and it is glitching with my training view. But yeah, you can see here, finding clear resistance at the top side of the spiral channel, then move all the way to the downside here, what already was acting as support. So very likely that we're, once hitting the downside, probably going to hit to the top side once again. And I do think, yeah, forming this bullish divergence over here, I do want to see it play out anytime soon here. But I mean, very low. Ethereum is very undervalued right now compared to Bitcoin. Seeing this dump here from the top to the downside was approximately a decrease of price of 25% compared to Bitcoin. So massive decrease in price here for the Ethereum price chart compared to Bitcoin. So of course, not all too good here for Ethereum. Not all too good for Ethereum. So still have to wait a little bit longer till we're seeing some more, yeah, more information about this chart coming in. And yeah, let me see. Let me see what you guys think here. Yeah, and by the way, guys, next time once we're taking a trade here, once we're opening a trade for this challenge, we will keep you guys updated here. And guys, by the way, I just got a quick note here from a lot of new people here in the Discord server, and I mean, a lot of people are saying how can I trade here? How can I trade here on Binance, because they're using Binance? And guys, you have to know this. If you really want to join us, and if you really want us to help you guys here if you really want us to help you guys with trading here, please make sure to use Femex here. I just got a message once again here And they told me, please tell them to also use Femex, because it's way easier with explaining, because we're doing it live in the stream and we can help you guys out here. So if you're new to trading, if you really want to join us with trading, I would really recommend signing up with Femex. And yeah, if you want to support the channel as well, then you can use the referral link here. But I mean, if you really want to join day trading, I mean, Femex is the place to be here, because we will try and educate you all here. So it is very, very nice if you're doing the same here, because then we can learn you guys the best here. And yeah, that's the reason. I was just telling you guys quickly that. So if you're new to trading, make sure to use Femex here, because if you're using Binance, it's very hard to help you guys out if you're using a different. I mean, it's not very, very, very hard, but if a lot of people are using a different exchange, it's hard to explain how this leverage trading explains work, or that we have to explain how Binance works, because if we're all using Binance on the same challenge, it's nice to all use the same platform for the same challenge, you know. So let me see. Good entry for Ethereum. Still waiting for entry on Ethereum, not rushing into anything. Let me see. Hey Rove, can you look at EGLD please? World breakthrough. Yes, I will look at EGLD real quickly, because I know a lot of you guys are loving EGLD and just were watching it for a request also. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye out on this on the chart, of course, because yeah, EGLD may be forming once again in downward sloping resistance line, not confirmed yet here. Do want to see the significance for the next touch here first. But I mean, yeah, getting supported by this Fibonacci level and we're finally creating a higher low system. So I mean, that is a good thing. That is showing that we are probably making ourselves ready for a reversal, but we haven't took out the previous high, so that's making me feel a little bit worried right now. So yeah, we are forming this upper sloping support line, but we are forming this horizontal resistance line, so maybe forming some kind of a ascending triangle, and then we will play in this pattern, and then we are going to see a breakout anytime soon here. So I mean, EGLD, a lot of possible scenarios right now playing out for EGLD, so very hard to trade EGLD at this certain moment. Is Femex friendly for Americans? Yes. So let me see. What leverage? I mean, we haven't did a clear discussion for a leverage trading trade. Uniswap breakout. So we'll look at the Uniswap once again here for you guys. And I mean, yeah, Uniswap is showing a lot of strength here in my opinion. Uniswap is doing very well. Uniswap is doing pretty well here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Bro, watch Bitcoin please. So we'll look into Bitcoin for you. And today's stream won't be the longest stream here, because today for me also cooling off from a big weekend. So don't know for how long this stream will be today. But yeah, you have to know that tomorrow there will be yeah, just a standard as usual 4 to 5 hour streams on the day on the week. Yeah, just the Mondays till Fridays. Just the daily streams. Someone is saying everything is friendly for Americans with VPN. Yes, it is. It surely is. Hope Verge will fuel enough in the last week of maintenance. What do you think? Yeah, I know they're already in a long period of maintenance, and yeah, no one can really get rid of their Verge. Verge is right now seeing a minor big drop off here. 2.3 cents here, and I mean, I hope it for you that it has enough fuel here for the last week of maintenance. But yeah, I mean, I would like to see finally Verge doing a little bit of a better job here. Only you can see It's already, of course, doing a pretty significant, good job here. Very significant increase here. And someone is also asking Eric BTT, please. So we'll look to BTT as well for you, my friend. But yeah, I mean, Verge maybe having a touch of this level can really set this price of Verge parabolic here. And of course, I would hope it for you to see this coin going parabolic. So I will look into BTT real quickly. But I mean, already the coin for such a long period in maintenance, and I don't think the privacy coins are doing very, very well right now. And that's also the reason why I'm staying away a little bit from it. But yeah, you can see BitTorrent, very interesting on the 1 hourly time frame right now, reversing the trend once again to the upside. You can see here, top getting created, getting rejected by this Fibonacci level. And right now getting once again rejected by this Fibonacci level. So of course still in the momentum, we're still going to the upside here. Still going to the upside here. So would like to see, of course, this retest coming in once again here. And finally having this touch here and then breaking it. And then maybe see the retest and then the retest as support. But for now on, still want to break this one in the Fibonacci chart. And this is a very, very significant level here. Because as you can see here, previous high of this trend here. So one of the most important levels for BitTorrent to break here. So yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go here. But once we are breaking it, I do want to see at least some 4 hourly candles above this. And then have this retest once again of this level. And then yeah, you're making yourself ready for liftoff. So my opinion still a little bit going up too quickly here. But we will have to wait and see how this will go here. And when will we enter a trade for Bitcoin? We will always look at the opportunity to enter a trade here. But for now on, still too risky to open a position here. So we're just playing it with a little bit of cautious here. Just we're taking it slow. How to withdraw with a VPN you were talking about. I mean, you're withdrawing in your crypto. So you're sending crypto to your Binance account or to whatever you would like. So, I mean, withdrawing should not be an issue here. Withdrawing should not be an issue at all. From Femex. And also I know the company is trustworthy. A lot of good, I mean, it's not a bad exchange and it's trustworthy and they're not scamming you. So that's also the reason why I'm telling you guys. And if they were scammers, I would have said it already. You can trust them with 100%, I can guarantee you. So let me see. And if you want to sign up with, because yeah, some people are preferring Binance. You can also use my Binance referral link here in the description, of course. So yeah, that would be, of course, very, very nice. Yeah, because if you sign up with Binance, you can also leverage trade with a lot of altcoins there. You can buy a lot of altcoins just to hold. You can buy a lot of altcoins. So yeah, let me know if you have some questions still in the chat. Still doing some calculation. Oh wait, we got a super chat here from Jan, and you're saying Cosmos Atom ecosystem is huge. Atom to the moon. So we'll look into Atom for you real quickly here. We'll look into Atom for you. So yeah, I mean it's doing a very good job here. First of all, for Cosmos, you're seeing this increase of price, and I think, like I told you already, because they're announcing that the new Stargate system here for Cosmos was already making a lot of hype around this coin, and that is also the reason why you were seeing this uptrend here getting created. And right now, yeah, this uptrend is doing very, very well here. This upward sloping support line still holding on here. Didn't got the touch here, but yeah, this is of course not the most beautiful line here, but you can adjust it a little bit to the upside here. And then you can maybe say, if you connect the bodies here, yeah, okay, we got the touch here. So maybe this will indicate that we are probably going to kickstart another move here, because every time, once we are hitting this line, we're basically going higher. So let's see how this will go here for Cosmos. Let's see how this will go, yeah. So, can we purchase ADA on Femex? Yes, you can, Tommy Lee. Yes, you can. So, yeah. That's pretty interesting. And also, just on Femex, I'm using contract trading. So, yeah, always looking for possibilities to open a trade here. I mean, if you look to Litecoin, you can also just analyze your charts over here if you would like to do it. You can even trade gold if you want to. You can even trade gold. And I mean, the Polkadot, maybe you would like to open a trade on Polkadot, to be honest. Because this coin is absolutely going parabolic. And I would like to open a trade on Polkadot and maybe opening a small trade here once we are breaking through this Fibonacci level and then retesting it. So yes, guys, if I'm opening a trade, please, I will look into it. 1 inch breaking out, I will look into it. Crypto donation isn't coming through. Thoughts on A and G? Dump incoming. I don't know. Donation not coming through. Let me check on that, because that should not be okay, of course, if it's not working. But I will look in your request real quickly, Martins. A and G. I'm sorry, that is not working. If it's really not working here, so of course I believe you. But yeah, look into this. EGLD. Engine coin. First of all, creating a stealth uptrend here. Creating a very stealth uptrend. Here you didn't clearly saw the touch, but yeah, probably people were already too greedy here. So I mean, this uptrend is probably helping the price push it higher and higher. Sorry, I had to also take a quick bite there of my apple. So yeah, I mean, this uptrend will probably help out the price once it's pushed down here. And by the way, guys, hitting 15.4k subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. You guys are legends. And let's see how far we can ride this, of course. And I love you every single moment, every milestone that we're reaching together. Very nice here. But yeah, looking for Engine Coin. I mean, this support line was acting as very significant support. So if you really want to get exposed to this coin, touch of this line will be giving you the very best opportunity, in my opinion. And already multiple touches here on the top side, and this Fibonacci is acting as very significant resistance, but maybe or even already going to break through anytime soon here. And guys, you have to know, once we are breaking through here, it's basically free area for the next target. Next target sitting around a 36% increase, and it will be sitting around the 83 cents here. And 36% increase is a very significant increase here for Ancient Coin here. So looking forward to this break of the Fibonacci line. And guys, you have to know, the more times you're testing resistance, the more likely it is that you are going to break it. And also looking to the likes here, guys, only 28 likes away from the 1.1k likes here. Would be amazing if we're going to reach it live in the stream. So if you want to support me as well, it will be very nice. Is there a trade open in the trading challenge right now? No, there's no trade open yet. No trade open yet. Still looking for a trade, guys. But not rushing into anything. Not rushing into anything right now. But yeah, looking to Engine Coin, I mean, still first want to break this resistance line before flipping insanely bullish. And next target, yeah, will be sitting around 83 cents here. So yeah, looking to get the follow through getting created anytime soon here. But yeah, guys, also have to know, always looking for a trade opportunity here in the trading challenge, but don't have a clear entry position right now. That's only what is giving me a low risk right now. So that's pretty unfortunate, of course. Because yeah, you can see you can right now trade these assets in the top left of the screen. So I mean, XDZ is doing pretty well. Also forming some kind of pattern, probably. Getting another donation from Michael. We'll look at your donation in a second. And thank you for donating once again, Michael. Thank you for truly supporting the channel here. So yeah, I mean, this coin is probably going to see a breakout anytime soon here, and we can also trade this on Femex. So probably we'll take this. So we'll keep an eye out as well on XDZ. So Michael donated €2. You're saying would APE be a very good would APE be a good buy here? And I mean, if you're at least going to hold for the coming 2 weeks here, if you're at least going to hold here for the coming 1 to 2 months here, I mean, APE will be a very good buy here, and APE is set to go parabolic anytime soon here as well here. So in my opinion, yes, APE will be a very good buy. And you're maybe wondering, okay, but should I buy APE right now? And if you look to the top of this previous high here to where we are right now, still 23% still here for APE since we were hitting the all-time high. So I mean, APE is definitely right now a good buy because you're buying it with minor still here. So if you really want to get exposed to APE, what is a very, very good thing, because I'm also exposed to APE because I believe in the project and believe in the long-term potential it has. I mean, APE is right now still a very good buying opportunity here, giving you a very good buying opportunity. And guys, I do think this is maybe different here, this bull run. Maybe the bear market is going to be different here, because right now you have these big institutions that are buying these coins, and they're probably going to sit on it. Just like they're probably going to sit on their Cardano, they're probably going to sit on their Polkadot. So maybe it's going to be different, but always taking profits will be part of the strategy. Rover, you know I love you. Mo, thank you for your heart and your quick super chat here. Quick Stellar Lumens check, please. So thank you for your donation once again. Oh, there's a fake Crypto Rover in the chat here. And guys, please be careful with these scammers. Please be careful. They're trying to scam you everywhere here. I mean, why are you doing... Why should you scam people, man? And also, I will never send you my phone number. So there are a lot of scammers, so please be careful. But I will check Stellar Lumens real quickly here. And also in the Discord server, a lot of scammers, guys. We're trying to build some very good bots here. But it's very hard to counter all these bots, all these scammers here. They're very hard to... to counter all these bots here, because they are also just coming with more and more scammers here. So please be careful with scammers. I will never ask you to send your Bitcoin. But yeah, a quick update on Stellar Lumens. You can see right now still getting supported by this Fibonacci level was what was very interesting here. But for now on, still creating a lower high here. And yeah, here you can also see getting supported by the Fibonacci level. So that was pretty well here. But still, you're creating a lower high, So let's see if we're going to break this previous high, because that will indicate that we are reversing the trend here. But yeah, for now on, if we're going to create a lower high than this previous high here, will be very bearish for Stellar Lumens. But yeah, I do think, like I told you before, with Bitcoin moving up so quickly here and the other altcoins moving up so quickly here, I do think it's very likely that coins like Stellar Lumens and other coins will probably go up once again here from here on. And I can see hitting 1.1k lives right now. So thank you so much for hitting the like button. Thank you so much. So let me see. Someone's saying XRP right now breaking out. And yeah, this coming Monday, tomorrow, there will be the last of XRP, guys. Tomorrow, the last of XRP will be here. Very exciting times, of course, for XRP. XRP used to sit around P2. Last bull market, P2 and P2, P3. Right now, XRP is sitting around P7. So massively losing compared to Ethereum here. Massively losing out here. So, I mean, yeah, pretty unfortunate for XRP, of course. And Brian also donated here $1.69 here. So thank you for your donation, Brian. Sorry, you were saying, Moo, you were saying, can you check the short term for Stellar Lumens? So we'll check the short term for you. And you're probably meaning immediate short term. So let's say 15 minutes here or so. Let's look at the 15 minutes here. So I know you're lovely, and yeah, we'll look at the short term here. So yeah, I mean, if you're already looking at the short term, yeah, you have this downward sloping resistance line already here formed, maybe, and maybe we are seeing this breakout right now to the upside here, and this can maybe help and push the price higher for Stellar Lumens. But it's really hard to give you my thoughts on the immediate short term here. But yeah, we can maybe also say that this is the resistance line that we do want to watch here. So we will keep an eye out on the chart. Mo. So Obster also donated €5, and you're saying, what do you think about flipping single satoshis on 15 satoshis coins like DREP? I mean, What is your opinion about 6.66%? So yeah, because you're around to do 15 coins here. There's such a high volume, so it is being done maybe in a bear market. So we'll look into your request real quickly. You're also getting another donation from $20 here. So we'll look also in your request. So give me 1 second here. And a lot of requests are right now coming in. So we'll look into every single one. But I mean, yeah, of course you can do so. But maybe for now on, I'm at least not looking into it. And I mean, yeah. It doesn't really matter because you say, yeah, I want to invest it in Satoshi coins with very low price charge. But I mean, the price does totally not matter here. And I'm not looking to invest in these coins. I only will invest into it if I really think the fundamentals are very good here. Into these coins with very low, because the price doesn't matter at all for me. Maybe for some people it does. Maybe for these newbies that are coming to the market, it does, because they think, okay, the price is so low and it's going to pump. And that's probably also the reason why you want to invest into it, because you think that these coins will explode here, because the news will think, okay, this coin is only worth 1 cent, and that's the reason why I will invest into it. But yeah, I'm not really looking into it, in my opinion. That's also probably why you are seeing the increase in price right now. But yeah, let's see. So, Julian, you also donated here, and you were saying, please look at the new gem SHR. A share token. This is the new gem in your opinion. So, I don't know the fundamentals, my friend, but I will look in the technicals for you. I will look into the technicals, but very hard to, I don't really know anything about this coin. And if you're saying it's a very good gem here, maybe I need to do some research on it. And also, once again, very hard to give my thoughts on this chart, because there's not a lot of information about this certain coin here. But I mean, I can set up a Fibonacci tool because therefore we have enough information. So yeah, looking at the 1 hourly time frame, so pretty low time frame first of all. But yeah, heading towards the 2.618 extension level, and of course, this coin is already extending very quickly here to the upside. And I mean, it's very risky to buy into coins that already pump so hard here. But I mean, it all depends on the weight. Am I looking at a different coin here? Because here is sharing. I'm looking at a different coin here. No, I'm looking at the right one. Only it's saying something different here. So I mean, I really want to look at the technicals first if you're buying into these coins, because it all depends on the technicals, in my opinion. Because a lot of coins will die here. Just like the ICO bubble here, and right now having also, once again, a lot of altcoins getting pumped so quickly here. Already like expected, because a lot of new people are stepping into the market and they are buying altcoins. So I mean, yeah, maybe if this is a very good project, yeah, you can buy into it, and probably heading towards the 5 cents here also. So I mean, in the immediate short term, it's looking good here. But yeah, it all depends on the, here on the fundamentals, because it can still reverse also very quickly to the downside here. So. Also getting another donation, so we'll look into the next donation. Getting another donation from Linshi. Thank you for 20 US dollars once again here. Hey, thanks. Thank you. Thank you, man. So I started Airing under the guidance of BTC and Ethereum. Okay. So wait, let me see. I started Airing under the guidance of BTC and Ethereum. So that's very nice. That's very nice. I mean, I don't really get your point, to be honest. I don't really get. You're starring Airing. You're starring Airing under the guidance of BTC and Ethereum. I don't really... Thank you for your donation, Linshi, but I don't really get your point here. I'm sorry. I will look into the next request real quickly here. But thank you for your donation. Hey, man, donated £2 here. And you are saying, hey, man, can you look at the Ethereum entry price? Thank you. And man, oh, man. I mean... thank you for the donation, first of all. And I would like to have an entry here. And guys, you have to know, I will always try and enter a trade here. But only once I'm seeing a clear opportunity here. And... I mean, yeah, I can enter a trade right now. And I know you guys, that is the problem, how you fail in trading. Do you want to fail in trading? A lot of people fail in trading because they think they always have to be in a trade here. But in my opinion, you should not be always in a trade here. And right now, once again, you really want to enter a trade here. And I thank you for your donation here. And I mean, for Ethereum, not seeing a clear opportunity right now to enter a trade here. And that is the reason why I am not in a trade right now. So, yeah. Man, you really want to wait a little bit longer till we're seeing some clear things here in the chart. But for now on, it's not looking like that we are farming, that we are having a clear opportunity to open a trade here for Chainlink or for Bitcoin or Ethereum. So we'll give you one once I'm seeing one. So yeah. Alan W. McDonald donated $5 You're saying, just because I love watching this. And I thank you so much here for donating once again to the channel. Thank you for supporting me. So Aryan Block also donated €5, and you are saying, what would be your pick of around 5 alts to hold until the end of the bull run? No financial advice, great work with the stream. And yeah, indeed, no financial advice. And what would be my 5 best picks here till the end of the bull run? And you really want to diversify your risk here and at least go for one safe bet. And the first safe bet that I see right here is Chainlink. So Chainlink would be my first pick here of the 5. It's a very safe pick here in my opinion. And probably you want to look also for alts that are really going to explode here. And also, I mean, I want to take some more safe picks here. I would just give you my top 5 safe picks because, of course, you can take some more risk with lower altcoin caps. But if you really want to look at the fundamentals, you really want to have Chainlink. You want to have APE here. Also want to have Polkastar. Yeah, so that's 3. Also, Crypto.com here probably will do pretty good here in the coming bull run. Already increased 50% for the last week here, doing a very good job here. And I think Dash is one to watch as well. And then I'm already having 5 here. And I also have the graph here. I also have the graph. So a lot of things that I do want to watch here right now. So, I mean, these are my top 5 safe picks here. I even give you my top 6 here, so that's very nice. So thank you for the donation. And Rick Montero also donated $10, so thank you for the donation once again here. You're saying started with crypto 27 days ago. I purchased 2,000 Cardano at 55 cents. And right now doubled it. So that's already a very good job from you, Rick. Already doubled your money with your Cardano. Should I take profits or let it ride? And of course, that's another thing. I cannot give you any financial advice here, but in my opinion, definitely in holds, definitely in holds. At least I'm holding already Cardano since 6 cents here, so I'm also enjoying the gains here. So, I mean, my strategy is at least hold it till the all-time high of Cardano. So, not looking to sell it right now, even though it's overextended. If you're holding in Bitcoin, you know what the best strategy in crypto is, because if you're trying to time the market here, you're getting wrecked. So, in my opinion, even if it's going to go lower from here, I'm still holding. And in the end of the day, it will reverse once again to the upside. And of course, you want to top this stop here and buy in even more over here. But then you're timing the market, and that is not my strategy to do so. So if I'm with my holding portfolio. So in my opinion, you should hold. And of course, taking profits is never bad. Maybe you have to take out a certain amount of money, but not everything, in my opinion. Not everything. So you're saying that's my biggest issue, knowing how to take profits. I know others as well, yeah. That is also where our channel is standing for. We will take, at the correct moment, we will take some profits here. Because once you're not taking profits, you're making 0 gains. And you don't want to ride this bear market all the way to the downside once again here. So, I mean, for now, I'm not taking profits yet. But I think that for the coming 1 to 2 months here, we will still increase in price. But after that, maybe the bear market can already start here. So, I mean, for now on, you're still safe. And if you keep watching this channel, we will keep you guys updated at least once I am taking profits here. So, because there will come a time here that we will have to take profits. But first, I want to see Bitcoin hit 100K before really taking profits here. So yeah, thank you for donation. So Corey Williams also donated $2 Glad to see 5K more subs in only a week, Rover. And yeah, Corey Williams, thank you for donation once again. Yeah, guys, you guys are absolutely crushing it. Once again, last week started with 10K here, already 15K. We're growing so quickly here. Yeah, you're seeing it exactly like me and Corey Williams. So thank you for your donation once again. And I'm very glad that you guys are all joining the channel here. We're building a strong community, guys. And I mean, if you looked at the Discord server, we're building such a strong community here. I mean, we are building such a strong community, and we are united as one. We are helping each other out here. We are trying to answer every single question of you with very good moderators also in the server. So if you want to join the crypto server, yeah, make sure to do so. You go to the live chat here, or you go to the description and you can join the Discord server. Also giving you the updates on certain trades that we are taking. So I mean, yeah, joining the Discord server is a very, very good good thing to do, in my opinion. And we're trying to help you guys out, of course. So yeah, if you want to get better in crypto and get know some new news facts there, you can join. So Josh also donated $8 Australian, just took profit on Ethereum, thought it was gonna dump. So that's a very good job. So thank you for your donation, and very good job that you took some profits, and you're totally predicting the market here. So yeah, thank you for your donation here once again. So a lot of people are right saying Doge here in the chat. So we'll look at the Doge for a second here, because it's a big meme. So yeah, I mean, if you look to the technicals, of course, technicals are not also always as significant here on Doge. But you have to know Elon Musk is, of course, pushing Doge here because he wants to make Doge the coin of the people here. So maybe it will become a coin of the people someday here. So I mean, the Doge right now sitting pretty okay here. Still pretty high here, sitting around 5 cents here. And yeah, if you look to the chart, maybe we have to adjust this a little bit here, but I first had this over here, and then you can see right now acting as resistance still. So I mean, this is still probably very, very valid here. So yeah, right now it's trading under support. So right now acting as resistance. We'll have to wait and see how this will react here to the Dogecoin price here, of course. But yeah, for now on, it's still looking good here. Downward sloping resistance line. Yeah, we broke to the upside here, so that is already pretty good here. Created a new local high here, but yeah, because Elon Musk is right now not pumping it because there are too many whales here in Dogecoin. You cannot see these Elon Musk pumps coming in here once again for the Dogecoin price. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see how this will go for Dogecoin. Do you personally also have any stocks? No, I only have one stock, and that's NEO. I only have one stock, but I will probably expand my stock portfolio also for some dividend. But for now, I'm still all in on crypto, almost all into crypto. And yeah, it paid off for the last year. You probably already know if you look to this chart of the total market cap. Yeah, you can see it totally paid off here. Already buying here each and every moment, and already in my mind, I already thought okay, need to buy more because now I can still buy cheap, because always, yeah, right now you can see it that you could have bought very, very cheap over here. So yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying the games, and I think it's still the right investment, and it is still, if you want to step into the market right now, still it's a very, very good buying opportunity. And also, yeah, with trading going very well here, and only doing trading on cryptocurrencies and not on Bitcoin, and not on Forex stocks here. So yeah, I'm doing the training on Femex here. And if you want to join me as well, you can use my referral link here in the description. Looking for opportunities here in the market, of course, but not rushing into anything. Not rushing into anything. Maybe we are going to see an opportunity live in the stream, but guys, you have to know today's stream cannot be a very, very long stream. Tomorrow we have a long stream, of course, but today is a very hectic day still for me. Still made some time for you guys, of course, because I would like to do this every single day here. As you can see here previously, already we streamed for, let's see how much days we streamed for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days straight. We streamed for 12 days straight here. So yeah, the coming week, of course, we will stream every day here. So yeah, if you want to keep an eye out on the channel, you make sure to subscribe here, because we're growing so quickly here. And if you want to be part of the community, you can do so. It's completely free here. Also, if you want to like the video, it's completely free. So it would be, of course, very nice. Ethereum, yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, it can still hit 2K here. Don't get me wrong. But I mean, yeah, W breaking to the upside here. Might now going lower once again on this new 1 hourly candle. 1 hourly candle going to close 9 minutes here, by the way. 9 minutes away. And guys, like I told you before, we should not only be bullish here, because we're going to still also see a correction coming in for Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is moving up too quickly here, in my opinion. But yeah, you can see here, we had to move up. And probably right now going to some consolidation here. Maybe have the last leg up here and then do some consolidation. At least that is what I would like to see. Consolidation is really needed for Bitcoin right now. Also, if Bitcoin really going to consolidate here, just like it did over here, I mean, this will literally pump the alts to new all-time highs. Literally pump the alts to new all-time highs. So yeah, that is what I would like to see, of course. Yeah, Bitcoin dominant is still trading between these ranges here. Still trading between these ranges, so that's pretty interesting. And that's not my meaning here, of course. But yeah, trading between these levels, very interesting. Resistance on the top side, support at the lower side. So yeah, looking for this for the structure here. And of course, if we're going to break down here, this white line will act as the most significant support line. It will act as the most significant support line. So we have to wait and see how this will go here for Bitcoin dominance. Of course, we would like to push this down here because, yeah, then the altcoins can gain here. And you know here on the channel that I'm liking altcoins. And that will also give us some more trade possibilities here on the channel. Yeah, we would like to embrace every single scenario that we are getting here on the charts. Maybe it will give us some new trade opportunities here. And that will be, of course, very, very nice here. And yeah, if you look to the on-chain data, you know that we're right now in pretty high stages of that we are heading to euphoria stages at least, and that is making me feel that I have to take profits here. That is making me feel that we have to take profits. And a lot of people, I know a lot of people on YouTube are saying, okay, the bull run is going to end in 2022, but I mean, I don't think so. I think it already will end here in 2021 here, the bull market, for sure. People are saying GRT is dying. I mean, no, it is not. I mean, why is it dying? It's just forming a continuation pattern. Nedham, you are donated once again here. Thank you for the donation. Should I sell my Ethereum and put more money into the challenge? Your challenge? I mean, no, I'm not going to give you any financial advice here. And I should definitely hold your Ethereum. I mean, of course, cannot give you any financial advice, but only because we're doing this trading challenge. Of course, you always have to trade at your own risk. And of course, it can always go wrong here. So never put all your money into trading. Never put all your money into your trading. Only a small amount of your portfolio. So please don't do it. And of course, I mean, I'm only taking safe trades here. But yeah, it can still go wrong here. Because maybe we're going to reverse very quickly here. And of course, we will hit our stop loss. And I do think our trading strategy is very, very well here. And for me, at least, it works pretty, pretty well here. Already a very significant increase of price here. But yeah, just taking it slow here. Taking it slow. Price prediction for BNB. Yeah, BNB can sit pretty high here. It can still increase maybe two times or 3 times. Maybe can go to $600. And guys, you have to know, the last leg of the bull market. The last leg of the bull market will be the fastest leg to the upside. So look into the daily time frame. I mean, this can maybe be already the last leg. Maybe we are right now going to see a very parabolic move here in the Bitcoin price. And then the last leg can push us very quickly to 100K. Something like this. And then we will see a massive correction. Massive correction once we're hitting 100K. I know for sure that we are seeing a massive correction. Yeah, of course, that's very likely, but I do think 100K is the top of the Bitcoin price. Top of the Bitcoin price. Jacob donated £5. And you're saying, how did you start your daily analysis review to verify your opportunities and how and for how long? You seems great and waiting for the right moment. Thanks. Already doing trading since 2017. And I can really say that I'm a profitable trader for over 2 years right now. So yeah, I mean, always I started trading and I was getting wrecked very, very hard. I was getting wrecked very hard, but because I was making a lot of mistakes, in the end of the day, I was becoming better. I learned how to control your emotions. You learn a lot of things once you are making mistakes here. And it seems maybe a little bit weird here, but yeah, I mean, making mistakes will only make you a better trader, in my opinion. And it is really needed. And I mean, I first started off with a signal group here, but I don't really, I mean, signal groups are great here, and it learned me a little bit here. But I mean, in the end of the day, you want to learn your own analysis here. You want to learn your own analysis. And I mean, I'm trying to help you guys out here on the Discord, etc. I'm trying to build a strong community so we can work together here to a new all-time highs. Did you enter link? No, I did not. That was pretty unfortunate. But I still have my link trade here on Bybit. So yeah, that is the nice part about it. At least one nice thing here. So yeah, this trade, I'm trying to ride this to new all-time highs and still waiting for this opportunity here. Yeah, 4 minutes for a new 1 hourly candle, so that's very nice, of course. Maybe this is a very nice entry for Chainlink. No, it's not all too nice, to be honest. But yeah, maybe Chainlink is going to close here. Probably will do good here. I mean, I hope so for Chainlink. And also no, I'm not looking for an entry right now. So maybe let's look at Polkadot. Maybe Polkadot is giving us an entry. No, not yet. So I mean, I would like to enter a trade here, of course, but no, I'm not rushing into anything. I'm still waiting for a good opportunity. Yeah, maybe Polkadot is giving one, but not looking like a clear opportunity. And once we are opening a trade, we will help you guys here on FanMax. We will discuss every single thing, how we are opening the trade, which stop loss we are using, which entry price we are using, which quantity we are using, so you can know every single step that we are taking here on this chart as well. Because I want to help you guys out, and I want to show you guys how we are doing it, and showing you guys that it's not easy to trade, and that you cannot be profitable in every trade. Because in my opinion, if I probably look back for now, I do think that, let's say, one of the third trades will be very good, but I mean, if you're one of the third, you you do three trades. 2 trades are hitting the stop loss, and 1 is you're hitting your price target. I mean, you still will be profitable here. You still will be profitable. I know for sure. And Bitcoin is also pretty overextended. And guys, this stream of today will be a little bit shorter than usual. But tomorrow and the coming week will be just standard as usual, long streams. Hey, still loving the technical analysis. Could you give me an update on Luna? So we'll look into Luna for you, my friend. So let me see. Well, let me fix this. So yeah, because of course I did make some time today, but tomorrow I will be free for the whole day here. So of course we'll try and also give you guys some more updates in the Discord server here once I'm not live today. But yeah, let me see. When will we hit the 100k for Bitcoin? I mean, I will not really say a real prediction here, but if the bull market is really going to end in 2 months here, I mean, we can hit 100k in 2 months, and from there on reverse. It can still happen here. And let's see if we nail that here. And guys, we will take profits once we are hitting 100k. Definitely will take some good profits there. And you have to know it. That's at least my strategy. But I will look at Luna, man. Flat. And Ismi got your legend here. I know you in the chat here. So I mean, if you look at Luna here in the immediate short term, in the 4 hourly, you can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed. A lot of wicks on the top side, but didn't close the 4 hourly candles above this. So if you want to break this downward sloping resistance line here, do want to break this 4 hourly candle before flipping insanely bullish once again here. Yeah, I mean, if I look at this chart, it's not looking good here in the immediate short term. But yeah, I do want to see this this breakthrough of this resistance line, and then we can really open this trade here. Then you will be having a clear buying opportunity here. But meanwhile, I'm getting called here, but cannot take up the phone. So I mean, if you look at this, also creating a higher low here for now on at least. But yeah, still this downward sloping trajectory is not finished yet. Just opened the new 4 hourly candle, by the way. Just opened the new 1 hourly candle, so that's absolutely insane here. Wait 1 second. I have to take a phone call real quickly. Give me 1 minute. Be right back. So I'm back again. So sorry for being AFK for a second there. I have to head out also in a second here. But yeah, tomorrow there will be a normal live stream once again here. But we'll look real quickly here in Luna. I mean, if you look to this chart here, downward sloping resistance line. Downward sloping resistance line. And yeah, right now acting as pretty significant resistance. So I do want to see this break here before flipping very, very bullish. And I mean, yeah, just open the new 4-hourly candle. I do want to see the close of the 4-hourly candle above this line here. Otherwise, I mean, it's still looking very bad here. And we did create a higher 4-hourly candle close, which is already good here. But do want to, if we're going to create this low here, you're still creating a higher low. So the trend is basically to the upside, and you're forming some kind of a parallel channel here. So I mean, that will be very good here. So do want to see this bounce solidify. Do want to see this break of this resistance line, because if we're getting pushed lower here, if we're going to create a lower high, I mean, yeah, that will be just very unfortunate, because you can maybe still say, okay, we are creating a lower high because the previous wick was over here. But yeah, if you look to the candle closes, you're creating a higher high. So yeah, I do have to head out in 5 minutes, what is very, very unfortunate here. But tomorrow there will be a normal live stream here once again. But I just got a phone call, and it just signified this, yeah, it just gave me a signal that I have to go here anytime soon here. So we'll do the final request here for you guys. And guys, you have to know, I'm trying to do this every single day for you guys. And unfortunately, today will be a little bit, yeah, less longer, because it's in the weekends. And the weekends is usually pretty, a little bit busier for me. So, I mean, on the normal working days, of course, we will do a longer live stream. We do a longer and normal live stream. So I mean, that's the reason why you should subscribe to the channel here, and also join the Discord server. So let me see what you guys have for final questions here. Would be very cool if you're still having some questions for me, because I would like to answer, of course, the most amount of questions here. So let me see. A lot of people are BNB. Okay, so we'll give you my final thoughts here on BNB. Very overextended, forming probably a lot of bearish divergence if we are going to create a new all-time high here. And in my opinion, just my quick advice, of course, no financial advice, but my quick opinion here, I mean, BNB is set to, is way too overextended right now. So please be careful with BNB. For everyone who is into BNB, please be careful right now if you really want to open it right now. Let me see. When will Bitcoin hit 100k? How much will it pull back? I think it can definitely get a 40% to 30%. I mean, 30% correction. But I mean, if Bitcoin 100k is really the top here, I mean, it will be very likely if we're going to go back to yeah, maybe 30 or 40k for the new bear market low. 40k will be a very good bear market low, in my opinion. So I mean, buying right now, still buying Bitcoin right now. I mean, maybe it's 50k is a bear market low here. But buying Bitcoin right now and holding it for the long run, definitely a good decision. Thanks for your stream. Have a good day. Thank you already for showing me a lot of love here once again here in the chat. Yeah, 4-hourly candle just closed here. I'm usually indicating a lot of volatility return in the market, but Bitcoin still doing that also interesting things here. So guys, unfortunately I have to head out right now. Guys, thank you so much for once again tuning into the stream. Unfortunately it was a little bit of a not a long stream, as you already know here. But guys, I will check you out tomorrow, and tomorrow there will be a normal day, normal hours. So you know what time I'm live here. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again here today, and I will see you tomorrow once again in the stream. Goodbye.